Every episode of this show I've been on, someone has commented, please bring someone who is into films or Bollywood.
I know Alia Bhatt just became a mother. That doesn't mean you just watch anything she does. Because this movie is horrible, dude. A kid's gonna grow up.
Hey man, sorry I was mean to you. Here you go.
That part sounds familiar. Why the fuck should I help you?
Why can't he talk? This is a podcast.
Akshay Kumar.
One of the songs, which is Naina Da Kya Kasoor, was the song I danced on for my brother's wedding. I remember the steps.
You look so sleazy while doing that right now, dude.
Why do you want to ruin your brother's wedding?
Yeah, he was thinking with his dick, dude.
That's why it's called cocktail. And it should be T-A-L-E. It's a story.
That was the end of this game.
We didn't answer, dude.
What?
Oh god, sorry. Dude, you have a very particular accent.
That's a hotel management. Yeah. Call a 5-star accent.
a 5-star.
I think I've told you this Kunal Kemu fun fact, na?
What is it?
That he used to live in my society when I was a kid. And
What a fun fact, dude.
Yeah. No. The fun fact's coming now.
Oh, sorry.
The
I
fun
thought
facts.
that
Don't
was
be cocky, dude. I was gonna say something. SRK is bad.
Dude, who is this SRK, dude?
He's showing up everywhere, dude.
Just because I don't know Bollywood, don't with me.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. Joining me in the show today are two very funny stand-up comedians. They're writers, they're content creators. First up, we have Govind Menon!
Thank you. That's not what the audience is, but thank you. I'll not destroy Shamik today. Maybe
Oh,
Shamik.
you try your best not to.
No, I'll
yes.
try my best to reach double-digit scores.
Like last time.
Yeah. That's my whole aim today.
I have to get a live update from you right after this. I will ask you a question about that. But also joining us is Shamik Chakrabarti.
Thank you so much. Appreciate all the men who have showed up today. So really, this is a
What about the
man
women,
show.
dude?
Yeah, where are the women today? Is it like Children's Day? Women are at home. I don't get it. We're shooting this on Children's Day, by the way. I'm just stating facts.
It's Children's Day.
Till
Yeah.
this second, I did not realize it was Children's Day today, man.
Bro, you forgot Nehru, huh? You forgot him.
I forgot. Are we
Sorry to
independent?
make this show political. You never thought we'll bring Nehru in that quick, right? That filmy game show. But
Seeing Nehru in a film.
I'm also trying to get to double digits. We're both very humble contestants.
Yeah.
This is not our forte. Clearly.
This might end up being the lowest scoring
It
episode
might.
of That Film.
Every episode of this show I've been on, someone has commented, please bring someone who is into films or Bollywood.
That's
not
a very...
not these joker fellows just trying jokes.
Yeah, they call us losers and all,
Yeah.
dude. They're very...
Oh, yeah, really
I'm
telling.
ready.
Even though you won last time.
You won?
I won amongst another with another
Who was
loser.
the other
Hoshang,
contestant?
against Hoshang.
Okay.
The only
He was
movie he
just
knew was
worse.
Tara Rampam and he didn't get that answer right.
Yeah, he was just
famously.
worse than me. I wasn't good.
Got
He was.
it.
So this is basically a battle between podcasters today, man.
Yes.
These guys are both very successful podcasters, earning in the millions. Okay. Running on podcasts, both produced by me. Shamik hosts Crickheads and Govind hosts Spender Bender.
Yeah, we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. That's how successful
But
we
the
are.
views are excellent.
Quality views.
You think views and subscribers make a difference to each other? No.
No,
It's all
no.
good. So basically, whoever wins this episode, that person has the more superior podcast.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Let's do it that way. Let's do it
Okay.
that way.
Wow, what a
Okay.
great way to
Yeah.
decide.
Yeah.
Antriksh is just drunk on power right now, producing all our podcasts. He's like two of the greatest $1 million
Maybe-
Talk
podcasts.
about being drunk on power.
Ah, dude. Attacking people with melodies.
Always. They catch, dude.
Yeah, nice one. That's
you know,
right.
You also want?
No.
Give me
no.
one, give me one.
Actually, hand me one.
All right.
Okay.
Why don't you also try it?
I'm
Feels
gonna
really
throw
good.
it on you, dude. Well, how does that feel?
Hey, there's your payment for this month, Antriksh. Here's
does
our
that
producer
feel?
payment.
Here.
My comb.
I'm gonna keep one here so you get a copyright strike from Melody. Fuck this episode, huh?
We do not sponsor this episode.
I don't know why I'm
No,
throwing it in
where?
that
Who are you
direction.
giving that
Just
to?
off camera.
In the corners.
I can only eat two.
You know what you can do? The
Yeah.
person who loses today,
Yeah.
you stop producing that podcast. That's how.
Shit, you guys will really try
Wow,
hard to
this
lose.
is like a WWE I Quit match.
You're fired.
You're fired. That's
how
right.
Vince McMahon
Sorry, it's
says
called
it.
You're Fired, not I Quit. I Quit's a very different sentiment.
All right. So we have a little bit of an audience again. Some new faces I see today in the audience. What's up, man? On the phone? He couldn't care less. First time attending a show. He's like, dude, I would much rather just sit in the front row and see
He
my
thought
phone.
he'd just be a face lost in an ocean of people. Come here,
Ocean
there's
of
5
people.
guys.
Yeah.
No, I'm a fan of the show. I've listened to the podcast regularly.
Okay, can you just give the mic to him so I don't have bad audience audio? Which it's a comment I get every
I
single
was
time.
going to say that. This is the first time I could hear your audience, dude. Whenever I watch your podcast,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
like, hey, what do you do? And then it's just... and you're like, oh, you're an accountant. You're an accountant. Like, how the fuck did you get
Wow, the audience is speaking backwards.
Yeah, dude. Wow, Antarik speaks gibberish. That's great. Oh, yeah, man.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm a fan of the show. My name is Rahul.
Hi,
I've
Rahul.
listened to all the episodes of the new and the old show as well. Both.
Incredible.
Oh, wow, man. That's pretty cool. I feel bad for you, man. Get a life. No, that's good. Thank you. So,
One subscriber down.
Yeah,
I
one
get-
subscriber.
I
He's
get-
really
I
drunk
get-
on power now.
I get
man.
very defensive when people are like, oh, I'm a fan. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, dude, be a fan of better things.
Wow, man.
That's not the way. Hey, I like you. Fuck you, dude. Is not the way to reply to that, dude.
Bro, how much free time do you have to watch every single episode of this show? Really?
Do you like this podcast ke games better or the...
You fucker! You fucker! So before this, okay, there was
I
a.
heard about that. I didn't watch that, by the way. I haven't watched that.
Thank you.
That's
That's
a
a
real
true fan.
fan. Well done.
That's a true fan.
Nobody
You
watched.
said watch something better.
But not. I didn't mean.
By the way,
Agreed.
clearly nobody was. That's why the show's not there.
Yeah.
You was asking something. I don't.
No, I'm just gonna ask, like, what do you do
No. So I'm doing my MBA right now.
in
Marketing.
marketing?
Yeah.
Okay, can you market this show a little bit? I think really suffering with that.
just
All
tell-
our shows need marketing.
Yeah, by marketing, just tell your batchmates, man. That's, that's marketing.
Good good marketing. So MBA in marketing.
Yeah.
How many more years to do?
So like 6 months is my final year, second year.
What would be your dream job then after this?
I don't know.
Tesla.
Maybe. No. One of like the OTTs here. In
Podcast
India.
producer. Is that why you're here to learn? Are you here to learn, man? This is how you learn.
This is how you learn on.
You're not from IIM, are you?
No.
Yeah, because you would have said IIM otherwise.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
IIM people are like, I'm doing MBA in IIM actually. Fuck you, we hate you.
Fair enough.
He's
Thank
like
you,
the
man. Welcome to the show.
Sure.
Cool. Let's talk to someone else who's new. What's up, man? I haven't talked. Did I talk to you last time when you were here? Okay, I don't remember anything. So what's?
Wow,
Again, I'm
dude,
so
look
rude
at
to
this
my
guy,
audience.
man. I don't remember anything.
I love these guys.
What's
I love
something
these guys.
better?
I'm-
Throwing
see,
a
my
Remove
melody.
the
memory
melody
sucks.
from your eyes and look at them once.
Hey, man. Sorry, I was mean to you. Here you go. Yeah. What's your name, man?
Yeah, I'm Siddhant.
Siddhant?
I'm a lawyer.
You're a
and,
lawyer?
yeah, if I can maybe jog your memories, I had come during the Gilhari and Karthik episode, and I was wearing the Majnu Bhai painting.
Oh, nice, great. Okay,
So I
this
guess
guy
that does it.
Has a very cool
Nice.
Majnu Bhai. You know that famous
I know.
horse on
Yes, that
Yeah,
one. I
yeah.
donkey
know.
on top.
From your episode previously when I was. Yeah, I learned it then. I know the drawing. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So cool, man. Again, did I ask you what you do last time?
Yes.
Okay.
I also said it right
He's
now.
a
he said
lawyer.
lawyer,
guy
he's
who-
lawyer.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So my memory is that bad.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
immediately also I forget.
Goldfish
Yeah,
memory,
correct.
dude. This is
Are you
seconds.
refunding them their ticket money one melody at a time? Is that what it is? You throw 150 at
Hey,
them
man.
and go home.
150. What do you lawyer in, man?
I'm a lawyer for a company. So I work in their legal team handling that company's legal matters.
Legal companies, legal matters. Okay, cool, man.
But like what kind
So-
of lawyer?
Company and corporate both.
Which company?
The company is called Envent.
Oh.
Air vent.
Envent. So
Envent.
Invent without the I.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Smart.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Very good.
Oh, that's ingenious.
Whoa.
Oh, man, great. Come back, yes.
10 points. 10
Yes.
improv points.
I don't remember what he does, but I
Yeah.
remember English. Cool, man. Very cool. How long have you been working here? And are you happy at your current job?
Yes, I've been working
Christ,
for.
dude.
It's like
Just trying
this
to
is
make
like
small
college ragging but with mics.
Antrix, this is not small. talk,
Biodata,
dude.
please. Biodata bowl or then ask that girl out.
No, I'll beep your name. Don't worry. I hate my job, dude.
This sounds like a HR review interview which I'm having.
And
at
you're
a
also
company.
standing, by the way, which
Yeah,
makes
yeah.
it worse.
It makes it seem like you're a real lawyer. The ones who go to court, you know,
And
barristers.
we are judges.
Yeah, just
Yeah, Milord.
with a Batman cape on, you know.
What's your name, man? Nikhil. You have an accent, dude. I heard he didn't say Nikhil, he said Nikhil.
Whoa, are you from Bandra, bro?
I'm from Bangalore.
Oh, your tribe, bro.
Ma city, man.
Your tribe, man.
Yeah,
Wow.
what's up, bro?
Dude, have I met you?
Yeah, the first trial show. I mean, like,
Oh, fuck.
2 months
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
The
No, I
first
remember.
trial show?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This, you
I
remember
heard
your
first troll
crowd?
show.
You remember your audience. They don't remember
Don't make
you.
me sound like a loser for it, dude. That's supposed to be a good thing.
Sorry, dude. Be like Antriksh. Can't remember a name.
Yeah.
They say it.
Hey, but it's fair, dude.
No.
Govind
Go for
sells out. How many people were in the audience when you were in Govind's
Wow,
audience?
dude,
No,
what
no,
the
don't
fuck?
answer that.
What the
Don't
fuck?
answer that. Don't answer.
No, answer and you beep it so it sounds horrible. Like, it's a terrible number.
Just keep the first half, like 2, and then beep.
Or make it seem like a really long number. Put a long beep. Like he said 4,620.
Half his sentence is also beep. What do you do, man?
I'm a student right now.
You're a student right now?
Yeah.
What are you studying?
Hotel management.
Hotel management?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, dude. Hotel management? So, like, is there a specific part of hotel management that you want to pursue
Yeah.
then further after that?
Culinary. Yeah.
It's a hilarious follow-up question.
I mean, what else would it be?
It's a
for
common question though.
Oh, it
Yeah.
is?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
It's a very
man.
parent question.
Sorry.
It is.
Yeah.
Beta future. mein kya
Culinary,
dikkat
you
hai?
want to
Yeah.
be, oh, you watched
Chef.
that show. The bear. You just saw the
Oh.
bear and you're like, wow, look at this blue color of everything on screen. I want to be that.
What is this, a David Fincher
Yeah, I
movie?
want to do cocaine off a blade, off a knife.
Is that what happens on
No,
the
I'm
bear? I have
guessing.
not
I've not
watched
seen
it.
the show.
That's an inspiration.
Do you cook also?
Yeah.
Okay, is that part of hotel management? Like, do
Yeah.
you have to be, like,
Yeah,
learn how to cook?
That I know.
2 of the days is just cooking.
Oh, that's fun, dude.
Yeah.
This is
What do you
probably a better
like
question.
asking? What do you like cooking the most?
Continental menus. So right now we're doing fishes and stuff.
Oh,
Dude, you have a very particular accent.
I just
that's a hotel management.
Yeah.
That's a 5-star. That's called a 5-star
That's a
accent.
5-star hotel.
Can you say room number 401?
Dude, for sure,
that
this
accent.
guy
Yeah.
with his body language and his voice,
Yeah.
there's no way he's getting a job below a 5-star, dude. You're
Sorry?
absolutely right.
Like
Yeah,
he's
this
gonna
is-
have a shirt with a napkin
Glitch.
in his pocket,
Yeah.
a silk napkin sticking out.
I just
Chef
have to
ka awaz.
scream. Just screaming.
Like it's like, do you know what you fucking made? That's a
Yeah.
chef voice.
Fuck, that wasn't a bad British accent, huh?
Oh, was it?
Gordon Ramsay was trying.
Gordon
It was
Ramsay right.
British that
Yeah,
you
it
were-
was.
okay,
I was
I'm
trying to
bad
do
at
it.
accents, I
Thanks,
don't know.
man.
Yeah,
That's- I have my moments. Okay, cool, dude. So you like to make continental.
Yeah.
Okay, so next time when you come, can you get something?
That's a businessman right there.
I'll
Why
try.
not?
MBA,
I mean, we
learn
could use some
something, MBA.
catering. All these men here.
First of all, you're making all of them come to the mic and stand, and then
Guys,
you're
you can
fucking
sit,
being
please.
so
I
rude.
swear.
Please sit.
Imagine
Grab
next
it.
episode recording. This guy comes with fish for everyone to eat. They're just like throwing roasted fish at you.
Antriksh is throwing fish at me.
Coffee and fish. You throw melody, he throws fish.
Let's go, guys. What is Govind? What is the most recent Hindi Bollywood film you've seen? And is it still Jawan?
Yeah, it's still in the okay. To be fair, in the theater,
Okay, but just for Shamik's reference,
Yeah.
context. The last Govind has been on the show now 3 times.
Yeah.
For the last 2 times,
Jawan.
It's
they've
just
been
been
7
Jawan,
months
dude.
apart. He's seen only Jawan.
it's just been
I
Jawan.
totally relate, dude. I totally get
No,
it.
but okay,
Oh,
in
yeah,
the
go ahead.
theater, yes, Jawan.
Okay.
And now I'll be honest, it's not Jawan, dude. I was
Oh.
lying that day
Oh,
because
okay.
it was Pathan.
So even older.
I just didn't want to sound that old, which is why I said, I mean,
Jawan.
like, I didn't want to say something
Next
You
that
don't
one
want
is
to sound
movie
that
extent.
dated, so you
Yeah.
said a movie just few months later.
Damn it. I have to go to the comments of that Hoshan Govind episode and update, guys. Govind lied, by the way.
I completely lied, but it was
Insane lie.
Pathan, and I think it still is. But
Yeah.
in the theater,
Okay.
like, I've watched on OTTs. I watched Kill. I watched.
Kill was fun.
yeah, Kill was fun, and
Yeah.
Madgaon Express, and a bunch of others, dude. I
Nice.
have
Did you watch any of those more talked about movies like Control and Jigra and all that?
Control was talked
Control.
about. I don't know.
I mean, yeah, it was a little bit talked about on this show.
I don't want to. On
We
this
talked
show,
about-
exactly like
on
this
talked
show
about
is like BBC or
The
something.
previous episode we talked about.
Controller?
Sorry, dude, I
Jigra,
don't get all
what-
my news from your filmy
I mean,
game
why
show.
don't you, dude? What the hell? There's more trusted news source than CNN.
What was the other one you were talking about?
Jigra, another one I hated.
didn't watch Jigra. Jigra, I heard it was fuck all, so I didn't
I
watch
also,
it.
I thought it was
Yeah.
fuck all. as
If
well.
you thought it was fuck all, then
Then it was
it
really
has to be
fuck all.
fuck all.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
love such fuck all movies.
Yeah. What?
and
Which
TV
one? Which one
shows.
is it? Which one
I
can-
can't think of
Oh,
things,
yeah.
dude. I just don't take your opinion seriously. Like, with
No, he
movies and
likes
TV
he
shows.
likes all movies.
I like,
yeah.
but there are plenty that I don't like, dude.
Yeah, Jigra is the last film I saw in the theater. yeah,
you watched
it?
I watched it,
What
and
do
it
you
was
think of it?
fucking shit.
Yeah.
And then I watched it again
Oh,
because a friend wanted to watch, and I was like,
Okay.
let me put myself through this.
Okay.
I thought I'll do jokes while.
did they have to convince you? Okay, please, bro. You were like, no.
There
it
was
so
some
bad.
convincing
Oh,
involved.
yeah.
I think I was just angry at myself that day. I was like, I must torture
I
myself
want to
today.
punish myself.
And I was like, maybe I missed out on something because some friends of mine told me it's a good film, and I hated it so much.
Yeah, I saw it on
So I watched
Twitter.
it again.
And Twitter,
No,
I trust lesser than Antriksh. So
Yeah.
I couldn't.
Dude,
Okay,
it's
at least
rated
one
so
person.
high. I'm sure someone here likes it. Don't ask them. But it's rated so high on IMDb. It was very
Yeah,
long
fair enough, dude.
and
There's
boring.
so many things, dude. Like I kept thinking of, there were like plot points that they would start in Jigra and then just forget about
Yeah,
them.
dude. What the hell is that beginning with the rich
Family.
Family.
What
They're
happened
like-
to that, dude?
They say bye
Yeah,
and then
buy actual
it's
buy.
over.
Fuck,
Yeah,
I have no
like-
FOMO, dude. I
Good.
don't care. Like,
Yeah,
I-
it's good.
the
Don't
first
watch it.
time when
It's
I'm
like they
no.
started. They wrote the beginning of many things in the script.
Yeah.
They like end. We'll fuck the end. We'll
Very
show it next
disappointing,
time.
dude. You remember how excited we talked about it. We talked about Monica, my darling, in
Yeah,
various instances and all.
Yeah, but you said Monica, oh my darling,
excellent.
is your favorite film ever or something.
No,
Yeah, he
like
keeps saying that it's
Yeah,
like the
that's- which
best
is a
thing
bit
ever.
much.
that year, it was my
That
favorite film for
year.
sure, dude.
Okay.
That and Action Hero were two of my favorites that year. That
Yeah,
was like
I
2022 or
saw
something.
Kill also. I mean, I just forwarded and saw the action, which
Oh,
is most of the film.
Kill
Yeah,
was a
that's-
great
so you saw the full
movie.
film,
I saw
basically.
the film.
Kill was a
Yeah,
good
the
movie. I
action
didn't-
is amazing.
Amazing.
The action is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
The acting sometimes is
Yeah.
a little.
Dude, the
that guy
villain-
can't emote too much, but that's
Yeah,
okay.
that guy.
He
But
wants
the
to kill.
villain, Raghav Joyal,
Oh, of course.
was great.
He's
good.
He was
good.
damn good.
Now
played it
again,
very well.
the reason I watched Kill was because I was doing these videos for Hotstar and I
Okay.
had to watch movies
wow,
for that.
okay,
Yeah.
so-
that's why I watched.
so that's
Kill.
why you watched
But I
these films?
wanted to watch Kill anyway. I
Okay,
just
huh.
didn't know it was out. So the second it was
Okay,
out, I
so
watched it.
are you, do you? So all you talked. You said you talked about. You watched. What else did you say you watched?
Madgaon Express. That's what I
That was-
wanted to watch.
Oh,
so.
but did you also watch that because
No,
Hotstar
no, no,
wanted
no, no.
to?
That I wanted to watch, and I
Okay.
did not like it too much.
You didn't like it?
I
Okay.
mean, I love Kunal Kemo
I
and
quite
whatever
like
he
it, yeah.
does, but I think it's because he wasn't in this. I didn't
Okay,
like
fair
it too
enough.
much.
I just really liked the fact that if they wanted to go the Dil Chahta Hai route,
Yeah.
they partnered with Excel only to produce the film, and then because of that, they were able to use
Yeah,
all the Excel
use
movie
all
songs
those
and all that.
things,
That was damn cool.
references.
A very cool Easter egg kind of thing. All right, ठीक है, we get it. Enough. You guys are kind of into films. Go in.
Yes.
Okay, we get it. Let's go. Let's start with the games. Yes. Guys, so we're going to be playing various games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs. The audience plays along. Each time you guys are not able to answer a question or don't know the answer to the question, we throw it to the audience.
Okay.
Some rounds they actually are the third contestant. Some round they are the basically the last contestant because you guys are not able to answer. Basically. Like-
That's still the third contest.
yeah, I know, but
okay.
but you know.
Ha, no,
yeah.
fair.
Yeah. So guys, you guys
Yeah.
are fighting for something also. Let me just
Yeah,
let
a
me just,
podcast and
say
you
this.
being the producer.
Yeah, correct. You guys are fighting for the integrity of your podcast.
Yes.
To retain me as a producer and also for this title to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah if
Nice.
you are to win this episode.
Amazing.
What this title allows you is becoming the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
Got it.
Like say Hotstar contacts you again. Okay? Okay, hey man, we really need you to watch Jigra. Like it's one of the hottest new properties around. Even though it's on Netflix, we think you should really watch it. I just realized the mid sentence. That's a Netflix.
No, you can just be negative about it. So that's the Hotstar
Yeah, correct.
campaign.
Yeah, but then, so if Hotstar says that, yeah, you have to watch Jigra, Govind, because he is the ultimate authority, he can be like, no man, I just want to watch Dawn again. Fuck Jigra, dude.
Or Pathan.
Or
again.
Pathan. I'll watch Pathan yet again. Never Jigra. Never Jigra. And they'll be like, oh, okay, I guess, yeah, because Govind is the biggest Bollywood Badshah
Yeah.
and not fucking those Hotstar folks.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's a widely
hey.
recognized title.
Now what?
Don't say fucking Hotstar folks and all.
What,
dude.
you don't think they fuck? What, you're
No,
calling them
my
losers
payment
like
hasn't come.
yourself?
My payment hasn't come yet. I
Oh,
can't-
okay. Till then they fuck.
Nice words until like.
These fucking awesome people. Okay.
Yeah, fair.
You get
Got
it. You get it.
It's
Fair
all
enough.
Got it.
Geo, by the way. Now it's all
That's
Geo.
true.
It's all Geo, man. Yeah. All right. Okay, we get it. Let's go.
Okay,
Starting the
let's
games.
begin.
Yes.
The first game we're going to be playing is called Whose Line Was It Anyway? Okay. It's a game where I quote a dialogue from a very popular mainstream film and give you 4 options as to who said it and in which film, and you guys have to recognize who said it and in which film.
Okay.
Both of you will get a chance to take a stab at what you think the answer is. So this is not a buzzer round.
Got it.
The buzzer
Okay.
rounds, there are some buzzer games. They will come later on in the
Sure.
episode. But
Got
let's
it.
go. The first one can start with Govind and then go on to
Yeah.
Shamik. And if neither
Who
of you
said
get
it
right,
and
you'll see. The best way to understand these games is just by playing them. Let's go. Starting with Govind. Who said this dialogue? कला आदमी को बहुत कुछ देती है, लेकिन TDS भी पूरा काट लेती है. Who said this and which film? Was it A. Ayushmann Khurrana in Andhadhun, B. Arjun Rampal in Rock On, C. Shah Rukh Khan in Dear Zindagi, और D. Ranbir Kapoor तमाशा. कला आदमी को बहुत कुछ देती है, लेकिन TDS भी पूरा काट लेती है. Relatable, guys?
yeah. Very specific. Some freelancer in this movie has said this, but
Good way of thinking, I would say. Yes.
Yeah.
because TDS. But fuck, it's not Arjun Rampal.
Yeah, but he was
There's
a
no way he
freelancer.
talked this much in Rock On.
Yeah.
So
He was a
He was just-
freelancer though.
No, but what if he said it like, कला आदमी को बहुत कुछ देती
oh
है.
fuck, then it's Arjun.
That's him, dude. You convinced me, man. Who's SRK? Antrix, please give full information. I can't understand these inside jokes and inside references.
Okay, I'll go.
Imagine Shamik doesn't know how to find Shah Rukh Khan on Instagram because his handle is I am SRK.
Oh man.
Yeah, he
How do you do
literally
this?
says I am SRK.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah.
I'll go with Ayushmann Khurrana Andhadhun.
All right, Shamik.
I'll go with Ranbir Kapoor in Tamasha.
Ranbir Kapoor and Tamasha. Both of you are fine with your answer.
Yeah.
The correct answer is Ayushmann Khurrana Andhadhun is right.
Motherfucker.
Absolutely. Very cool. Full 5 points for Govind Menon.
I've seen Andhadhun. I've
I've
not
also
seen
seen
Tamasha.
Andhadhun.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
also seen Tamasha.
What do you
I
think of
don't know.
Andhadhun? I think
I love that.
fantastic.
Yeah, it's
film.
great
Yeah.
because it's based on a French
Yeah.
short film, which is also
Oh.
great.
Is it?
Yeah, literally, exactly.
Man.
Until
But-
like 3/4 of the way.
It was
in.
also based on something else, no? I remember.
A novella, which probably they made a film. And here's, no, I don't want to be a hater. It's a
No,
good
it's
film.
nothing to
That's
be-
it. Done.
No,
Arey,
now
go na,
completed,
bindas,
dude.
yaar.
Basically, the Andhadhun film, right? There's a
Yeah.
point where the short film on which it's based ends. And until the Andhadhun is fucking awesome.
Oh, really?
And the last bit, which is original, is less awesome. I think.
That's like what happened to Game of Thrones, basically, right?
Yeah, once
They
they
ran
start
past
making-
the material.
The
Yeah.
source material was
Yeah, yeah.
amazing. But no, it's very well made. Tabu was amazing in it.
It was
I
amazing.
remember.
The songs are great. One of the songs, which is Naina Da Kya Kasoor, was the song I danced on for my brother's wedding.
Wow.
I remember the steps.
Nice.
You looked so sleazy while doing that slap right now, dude.
It's like, why do you want to ruin your brother's wedding?
All right, cool.
He was probably, I wish I was blind. I didn't want to see Antrix dance.
Can't unsee this shit. Next one, starting with Shamik.
Yes.
Che. No, I'm sorry. Repeat that.
Wow, worst audition ever. Bro, did you see a comma or a full stop there? If not, just keep going.
6 दिन लड़की in.
Yeah.
सिर्फ 6 दिन. Who said it? Shamik, and in which film? Was it A.
Yeah.
Vivek Oberoi Masti, Salman Khan Partner, Shah Rukh Khan Kal Ho Na Ho, or Ranbir Kapoor Bachna Hai Hasino?
SRK is bad.
Dude, who is this SRK, dude?
He's showing up everywhere, dude.
Just because I don't know Bollywood, don't fuck with me like this, man.
Yeah.
I mean, I know this quote. How can I not get this right?
6 दिन लड़की in,
Yeah.
सिर्फ 6 दिन.
Got it. It's not Vivek Oberoi. It's.
Why not, dude? Masti is a very weird film. Could
I
be.
know, but because I know this dialogue and I've not
Okay.
seen. I mean, I don't remember if I've seen Masti. It's the kind of movie that's like it's maybe 5 movies I've seen which are similar,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
don't know
yeah,
which
yeah,
one
yeah.
it is.
And all of them are called Masti, Masti
Yeah,
again, Masti
yeah,
Returns,
Grand Masti.
Masti Zade.
Masti Zade, yes.
Great grandmaster.
Great grandmaster, yes.
क्या cool है हम, क्या
Like,
super cool है हम.
that's cool for sequels, no? When you know your movie shit, you can just put great in your own title.
Yeah.
Great masti.
I'll go with this person SRK in Kal Ho Na Ho.
Okay, ऐसा क्या करो ना?
I'll go with Ranbir Kapoor बचना है हसीनो.
Ranbir Kapoor बचना है हसीनो. All right, the correct answer is SRK Karuna.
That's
Right.
right.
Yes, full 5 points.
Thank
Din
you so
ladki
much.
in.
Shit, I don't remember that.
This is the point in
Kalona.
the movie where Shah Rukh is telling Saif, SRK is Shah Rukh Khan by the way.
Oh.
And he's telling Saif how to patao Preity Zinta's character basically.
It'd be funny if Shah Rukh is saying this while dying in the end.
Basically, is that only. He knows he has like limited time. So he's like,
Oh,
6
6 दिन मतलब मुश्किल है 6 दिन बचे
Correct,
हुए.
correct.
Oh,
Yes.
what it is.
I think he has like 7 दिन left. सब निपटाना है मैं. Alright, next one, go in, man. मेरे दुश्मनों को सर छुपाने के लिए जगह देने वालों, मैं तुम्हारी चिताओं को जलने के लिए जगह नहीं दूंगा.
What the fuck?
I'll repeat that.
Amrish Puri.
This is an Amrish Puri dialogue from one of these films.
I got that.
Oh, you got it?
From all the options being Amrish
correct.
Puri.
I know it's Amrish Puri.
Yeah, I'll just repeat the dialogue again in
I know.
my best Amrish
Yeah,
Puri
please do
impression.
Amrish
Yeah,
Puri.
please do.
मेरे दुश्मनों को सारे को okay, sorry, I'm terrible at reading guys.
It's okay. We'll do another take.
Yes.
Yeah.
मेरे दुश्मनों को सर छुपाने के लिए जगह देने वालों, मैं तुम्हारी चिताओं को जलने के लिए जगह नहीं दूंगा. Horrible. Amrish Puri, was it in Koila or Mr. India or Shahenshah? What is wrong with Shah?
Amrish Puri
or
in
Karan
Shah.
Arjun. Koila, Mr. India, Shahenshah, Karan Arjun.
Oh my
Oh
god.
man.
Let me guess, he was the villain in all
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Classic Amrish.
Starting with go with.
I'll go with. Let's go with Karan Arjun. D.
Have you seen all these films?
I've seen Karan Arjun. I've seen Mr. India. I've seen Shahenshah. I've not seen Koila.
Okay, fair enough. Then, yeah.
have seen-
Koila is also like historically like was a massive flop.
Yeah.
It's
No,
not
That's
well
not the
liked.
reason I haven't watched
I
it.
get it.
just-
Yeah,
I
but
was just
it's,
trying to give you an out. That's what I tried.
That's a Rakesh Roshan film, right?
That is
As
absolutely
is
right.
Karan Arjun. Karan Arjun I've seen many times.
are
So
correct,
if
yeah,
it's Karan Arjun and I don't get it right, it's fine. I'll be fine with it. I just don't pay attention, man. What were you
It's not the end of the
expecting?
world. It's right.
do you go?
Shahenshah. Fuck. Mere dushman.
I don't know why.
Man, there should be something in the dialogue which is specific to a character. He could say this as any generic villain. It's not Mogambo.
So usually, if you've seen,
yeah,
especially if you've seen the film,
yeah.
these dialogues, like you will remember the moment. So
What
it's
does
like very momentous.
that word chittao mean?
Chitao, like
the
the funeral pyre.
yeah.
Oh, then it will
That
be
they burn.
koila because it's like coal.
Oh.
Huh? Look at these guys who know the
Yeah.
answer.
But I
Look
think
at
they
me
use
like
wood,
I'm some idiot.
no, and not koila to in the funeral pyre.
Oh yeah, fair enough, man.
Again, good point.
On that technicality, not koila.
Why am I helping? Is the question.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, so it's not,
So it's not
Karan
Koila.
Arjun. It's not Karan Arjun.
Wait, that was my answer, dude. It's
You
not?
can't answer now. It's not Karan Arjun.
Can I change it?
No, you can't change it.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with Mr. India. Fuck it.
Looks
You're
like
on
it is
Mr. India?
Mr. India. I feel like
Well,
it is.
If you want, I'll let you change your answer. You
I'll
want to
also say
change
Mr. India.
You're both are saying Mr. India.
Yeah.
You sure?
Okay, then I'm not. Now I'm
I'm
not
just saying,
sure.
I'm just
Okay,
saying.
no, now I'll say Shahenshah. If
Now you said
it's
Shahenshah.
Mr. India, if it's Mr. India,
I think
now-
I change
1
my answer.
minute more discussion
I think
and it'll be
it's-
Koila.
I think it's SRK in Jawan. Where's your SRK option this time?
What are you saying finally?
I'll go with Mr. India.
Saying Mr. India.
Yeah.
Both of you saying Mr.
Yeah,
India.
Yeah.
Both of you are wrong. The audience. Let's one person. Karan Arjun
the fuck?
is the right answer.
I was so sure it's not Karan Arjun. When does he say this?
At the very
Your
end.
misplaced confidence, dude. I just bought it.
Wow, that was so well played by me. Now I realize.
Shit.
Oh man.
See, I realized that you wanted to change your answer from the right answer. I was like, okay, I'll give you a chance now, man.
Dude, it's hilarious how he knew and they knew. It's like you went from the right answer to jumping from
Yeah,
the wrong
every
answer.
other
And they're like, just go to any of them. It doesn't matter.
Oh man.
Okay, so when does he say this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
at
when
the
does
very
he say
end,
this?
he, so he Amrish Puri's character, Durjan Thakur Durjan Singh comes into the village to find Karan Arjun because they're back in the village, and all the villagers are hiding from him on their chhat and all on the terrace. They're hiding, like trying to hide their faces. So he's like, hey, मेरे दुश्मनों को whatever, you know, देने वालों, छत देने. What was the line?
Okay, you don't need to complete it.
मेरे दुश्मनों को सर छुपाने के लिए जगह देने वालों, मैं तुम्हारी चिताओं को जलने के लिए जगह नहीं दूंगा.
Shit, dude. Yeah, now it makes so much sense. It's the village scene, man.
I just realized I don't remember. Oh, wow. Okay, but I don't.
You said, wow, I like it.
The craziest
You're really taken aback.
The craziest Karan Arjun scene I remember, I mean the dialogue is, I'm paraphrasing, but it's something like this. His two sons or nephews, right, the two villains,
yes,
they're just drinking on the terrace and they're like, बहुत दिन हो गए किसी का बलात्कार नहीं किया है. That's the dialogue.
That's true, bro.
And they're like,
that is true.
सही बोल रहे हो यार.
Yes.
And they're like, let's go, hit the town.
And then Asif Sheikh comes and he's like, what a joke.
What a joke. Fucking what a joke out of God, man.
Sorry? No. Okay, just say it in the mic.
No, I want that fuck all audio, dude.
No, let's get it. Let's get it.
Two things about Karan Arjun.
Sorry, no, that was just random. Two things about Karan Arjun also.
Yes.
One, that it has SRK in it.
Yes.
And
Amjad has amazing trivia, facts. He knows everything.
You work in the industry.
No. Boring corporate job. But no, they're not trivia. This is also funny, only that they named Amrish Puri's name is Durjan Singh,
correct,
which means bad person. His parents named him Durjan.
Yeah,
and
that's hilarious.
Oh, that is funny.
Can we not?
Yeah,
look
that's
at
fine.
this
We're
for
done
now?
with
That is Karan.
I've just shown you what Karan was.
Karan.
Yes. All right. Let's go. The last one in this game.
I go
starting with
first.
Shamik, huh? Yeah. सोचकर कौन शादी करता है? Who said this? Which film? अक्षय कुमार in मुझसे शादी करोगी, और शाहरुख खान in कभी अलविदा ना कहना, और दीपिका पादुकोण in Cocktail, और D. Anil Kapoor in No Entry.
Why can't you just type his whole name out? Akshay Kumar.
सोचकर कौन शादी करता है?
Okay.
Oh fuck.
The first one is just such a obvious thing.
No, can't be.
सोचकर कौन शादी करता है?
No Entry में अनिल कपूर कौन शादी करता है? Wow, you're gonna do all the voices.
Let's try.
सोचकर कौन शादी करता है?
Now do Deepika Padukone.
No, I can't do it. सोचकर कौन शादी करता है?
मैं लेडी सिंगर मेरे.
Oh, this is from Singham.
Oh man, that's horrible acting.
Horrible. Dude, Singham देखी तुम लोगों ने? Fucking don't. Good. Don't give them money.
Okay.
Bullshit movie.
I'm gonna go with my boy. What did you say? Shiv Raj Khan, right?
Shiv Raj Khan.
It's nearly all religions in one name. You nearly got
Amar Akbar and 3 sequel. Shiv Roy.
Shiv
Khan.
Robert.
Shiv Robin.
Robert.
Khan. Yeah, perfect. Robert.
Shiv Robin Khan.
Yeah,
What are you
go
going
with
with?
Shah Rukh
SRK?
Khan in Kank.
Okay.
That's right. I know my trivia, dude. I know my trivia, man. It's called Kank. Did you know that?
It's called Kank?
Yeah, you know
It is,
why?
yeah.
It's like Kabhi
Because
Kabhi
Alvida
Alvida
Na.
Na.
Because
That's
it's a Karan Johar film.
I
So
know,
it has
they
to be
all had
abbreviated.
that.
Yeah, him
like,
and Rakesh
2000s,
Yeah.
early 2000s mein it's all
Yeah,
like
it's all
Kank.
K3G,
Yeah,
K2H2.
It's all K.
Okay.
You know what? I'll do the punishment if it's wrong, but I'll go with Deepika Padukone. Cocktail sounds like something she would have said. She was high on drugs all the time, dude, in that movie.
Yeah. As was he, as was Saif in this film. They're both the same in the whole film, right? They're the
But the only difference is Saif was in real life and Deepika was in the film. No, that's fine. Hi.
Oh, sorry. You went for another thing.
Sorry, what are you saying?
I'm saying they both are equally like they just party the whole
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
And they're equally bad or good based on what you think your
Yeah,
morals are. But then Deepika Padukone gets fucked over.
Yeah,
and Saif
full
just
on.
marries another
Just
woman.
goes to
enjoys
Diana
his
Benty
life.
and then
it's like,
just-
Yeah, dude. And her best friend or something, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm forgetting his
While I was watching the film, with my friend, I said that at one point I can see, within 10 to 15 minutes, Deepika is going to die or something's going to happen. And then she gets hit by a car. And I'm
Yeah.
like, bro, I
Yeah,
told you.
I'd forgotten about
convenient.
that
Yeah, convenient.
Yeah.
But
That's very circumspect,
Yeah.
right? That he probably planned that car attack or car accident,
that
right?
would make the movie way
Yeah, that
better.
would- yeah, correct. That's-
I don't think he planned it. He was just...
But he should have, no. That would have made
Yeah.
him more interesting,
What a film
compelling.
that would have
He
been.
was thinking with his dick, dude, not his brain.
Not his
He
brain.
was-
That's why it's
yeah.
called Cocktail. Thank you so
Perfect,
much. There should be a hyphen between. It's a story, and it should be TALE. It's a story.
Cocktail. Okay.
All right.
That was the end of this game.
Wait, we didn't answer, dude.
What?
Oh, sorry.
This guy.
That's the end of the game? No answer.
This is so chaotic.
Oh, man. I said Shah Rukh Khan and
I
I
said
said Deepika. Now.
The correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan in Kabhi Aur Zara Ke Naaz. Absolutely right.
Yes.
Sorry, bro.
Don't make me dance. I'll do anything else.
Okay. Govind Menon, punishment time. Let's go. Govind, I want you to make a very, heartfelt appeal
Okay.
to anyone considering watching Jigra to not, absolutely not, till the end of time, never watch the film, come hell or high water. That's what I want to do.
Okay, I've not watched the movie. You know that,
So,
right?
to make
Yeah.
a case as to why
want me to
others also
cry?
should not watch. Yeah, anything you want.
I'll look into the camera.
Yeah, you can, if you can cry
Wait,
and
who
make it
all in
emotional.
this movie?
Uh,
I know Alia Bhatt's there, but
Alia
who
Bhatt
else
is there.
is there?
I mean, Manoj Pava is the only good person in the film. Like, he was actually really good in the film. Manoj Pava,
Yeah.
the fat dude. Sorry, I shouldn't say that.
Very
There was
mean,
no
man.
point to say that. But,
What's her brother? What's his name?
yeah, Vedant.
yeah, that guy.
Oh, the
Raina,
guy
yeah.
from Archie's.
Yeah,
Who
that
was
guy-
Archie?
He looks
Yeah.
like Ranveer Singh from far, somewhat.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, there's no way he's not a nepo kid, by the way. Just saying. He just
Yeah.
looks like a nepo kid. I don't know why.
That makes sense.
He acts
He is
also
a-
like
he
an
is.
epoch.
Yeah.
Producer's son.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Now it
So, okay,
makes
let's
sense.
hear your appeal to people to never watch
Wait, where
Jigra.
is it shot again?
When?
Where?
Singapore.
Singapore,
Uh,
no? Okay.
No, not Singapore, bro. Malaysia or something.
Southeast
But
Asia.
it's supposed
Yeah,
to
it's a
be
fictional country
fictional, kind
where-
of like Singapore country.
Yeah, where it's a death sentence if you smoke a joint or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Singapore. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Right, yeah. So go ahead, let's hear.
Guys. Guys, I know Alia Bhatt just became a mother, but that doesn't mean you just watch anything she fucking does. Because this movie's fucking horrible, dude. A kid's gonna grow up
Yeah.
and see this bullshit, and that fucking good looking guy, he's so fucking good looking. It's a little annoying because he's too good looking. And even in Archie's, I was like, this guy is an
Yeah.
Archie.
This guy's in jail and good looking? Fuck you, man.
He's in jail for
Yeah.
a joint, nah?
For a joint or something
He's
like that.
shirtless
joint.
in jail like
Yeah,
this,
yeah, yeah.
showing his
Guys,
abs.
how am I supposed to cry? Fuck.
I'm like, when did they tell you to do that in jail?
Yeah.
What part of jail is this?
Also, yeah, I thought Govind would go the angle of, also Netflix has not given me money yet.
Yeah.
Guys, please, so that fictional Southeast country, don't go there because it doesn't exist. But also don't go there. Smoke joints here.
Yeah.
Because they don't catch you.
Yeah.
You just need to just keep some extra cash and just smoke here. So when the cops catch you, you
Yeah.
can just pay them and not make a movie around the whole fucking
Yes.
thing.
Yeah, Govind and I have had our experiences.
I am not that. That's why it's a heartfelt
Yeah,
appeal
heartfelt
because
appeal.
I'm just paid because I've paid money and so has Antriksh. Wait, let me just. Yeah, okay. Done. Thank you.
Very cool. Govind, that was one of the best heartfelt opinionated pieces.
I think just keep going.
Lovely,
wait,
lovely.
sorry.
Every time you don't get an answer, now you should do that. I think that's your punishment.
Now you just-
Anything to not dance, dude. I can't.
Now you're gonna keep getting things wrong to do audition for films. You're like another
I do my
chance.
side profile. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's see where we stand at the end of this game. Ashish!
I'm at 5, I know, dude. But yeah.
So on second place we have Govind and audience at 5,
Okay, very cool.
and leading by one question we have Shamik at 10.
Nice.
Very cool.
Fuck, you reached
Very
double
cool.
digits.
Oh, thank you.
Congrats.
I thought I've got 3 right. No.
Don't fucking overdo.
Let's calculate again.
Don't get too cocky now,
I got
dude.
3 right.
Okay, I think you got the second one and the fourth one is what I'm being told by
Okay,
Ashish.
fine.
But if you want to go back and double check.
No, fuck it.
Yeah, okay. Let's go to the next question. Sorry. Let's go to the next game, guys. The next game.
Should we host? Do you want to play?
Can I quit the
Yeah,
contest?
yeah.
I really don't remember the questions right now. Anyway. All right, let's go. The next game is called Bollywood in Jeopardy.
Got
Very
it.
simple game. I will read out the plot description, the plot of a very popular mainstream film, and ask you to guess what the movie is. You can buzz in with a mouth sound, a sound that you make with your mouth each time, and tell me what the answer is. Whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. But
Okay.
the Jeopardy angle is that you're going to say the answer in the form of a question. If you don't ask it as a question, like, is this Dil Chahta Hai? Is this Bagban? If you don't ask it as a question and I catch you on it, I will let the other person steal, even though you might have been right. All right.
Okay, got
Simple
it.
enough.
Got it.
Got it.
Let's go. Keep your buzzers at the ready. What's the buzzer round? What's the buzzer sound? Okay. Great. Take it.
No, I want to change it to shh. This is
Oh.
too much effort from my chest, so
Oh
I'll just go
God.
with shh.
Okay. I literally had to try. Okay, is it really
Yeah,
too
yeah.
much effort?
No, I smoke. I think that's why it has nothing to do with this.
All right. Fair enough.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Keep your buzzers ready. The first
Ready.
one is as follows. In a quest to pull off a heist at a hotel in Dubai, Dash assembles a team of non-dancers. Go in buzzer
Yeah.
first, but I'll complete the question. Team of non-dancers to take part in a dance competition at the hotel. They enlist the help of a bar dancer.
Is it Happy New Year?
Absolutely right.
Yeah!
God damn it, nice.
Let's go.
I knew
Let's
this
go.
one.
Fuck yeah.
Do I get 20 points? How much?
yeah.
How many points?
Five,
do you
five,
get?
five.
Okay.
5 points.
The next one. Keep your buzzer ready. In the small town of Dash, the men folk live in fear of an evil spirit named Dash, who abducts men in the night. Based on the urban legend of Naleba, you'll go first, that went viral in Karnataka in the 90s.
Is it 3?
Absolutely right. It is
Oh,
three.
fuck.
Very cool.
What a comeback.
Shavik,
dude.
you did
What a
not,
comeback.
you did not see that?
I've not seen Stree.
Okay. Dude, it's a great film.
I know, I
I
heard.
think I
Yeah,
bet
now
you'll like
the
it.
universe. That's the universe that you should watch.
Yeah.
Like the whole.
And now there's
Stree.
3-2 and
Yeah,
there's
yeah.
too much
3-2.
pressure now to
Munjal,
catch
na?
up.
What's it called? That-
Munja, dude, only the
Munja,
two Strees are watchable in that. You
Not
don't-
the
you can skip
Varun
the others.
Dhawan being a werewolf.
I hate that, dude. Bhedia.
Bhedia.
I hate it. Next one. Buzzers ready? Showing on hat trick now. All right,
Motherfucker.
cool.
Nice.
Next one. Buzzers are they ready? When his friends in Punjab struggle to clear the immigration process, an ex-soldier. I got it first.
Yeah,
You
you
did
got
it
it.
first. But I'll complete the question.
dude. Yeah, you did.
I'll complete the question. Complete the question. When his friends in Punjab struggle to clear the immigration process, an ex-soldier guides them on a risky journey to enter the UK without permission. Yes.
Is this donkey?
Absolutely right. Donkey is correct.
Thank
You know what? Thank God you got it because I knew it was donkey. I couldn't remember the word donkey.
bird.
Good.
Okay, fair enough. Next one. Buzzers ready?
Okay, buzz is ready.
4 lazy friends want to make easy money and aim to marry a rich girl. Their plan backfires after they meet Ritu, the girl, and get embroiled with a dangerous criminal.
Are there negative points?
No negative points at all. Yes?
Is it Golmaal?
No, it is not Golmaal.
Wait, one easy money and aim to marry a rich girl.
Well, I see, yeah, it could well be the plot of Golmaal also,
I know.
but it's not.
What the? Fuck. Can't think of anything, dude. 4 lazy friends is a lot of friends, dude. Like 2-3 people.
Oh, I
can-
got it. Dude.
You got it?
It's Deepa Mehta's water. Go for it. Just say it. Say
The John Abraham one.
it. Yeah.
I can't think of anything,
No?
dude, but no. Are you googling what
No,
movie this is?
I'm googling the guest. I'm googling like the hint I can give you.
Oh,
the
I-
criminal has a very
One
peculiar
second,
name.
one second. Now
yeah.
we both can guess again, right?
Yeah. So now it's half points.
Yes.
Okay. The criminal, the dangerous criminal,
Yeah.
has a very peculiar name. So maybe that will jog your memory.
Nope.
The criminal's name is Zikomo.
What the fuck is
Does
this
that help
movie?
at all?
Friends, what-
Okay, you guys already know. Okay, Zikomo. That's
This
not
is
okay.
Just confirm that I
wasn't-
don't know this
Okay,
film.
but I will tell you. I will tell you more.
Yeah.
I'll give you more hints. Ritu is
Yeah.
played by Tanushree Datta. Tanushree
Oh
Datta.
God.
4 guys
It's
after
actually
her.
making it worse, dude. All your hints
Everything
are
you're
just...
saying is making it harder, man.
Sharman Joshi and Kunal Khemu are also both in the film.
Oh, hey, Kunal came, dude.
Hey, Kunal came out,
You,
dude.
you should you know everything you said about him.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm thinking of the Javed Jafri one.
You're thinking of
Yeah. I know it's not that one. There's no marriage angle in that, I guess. But fucking Kunal Khemu ke saath kaun sa hai? Man,
Okay, I don't think you guys know.
I don't think.
No guesses at all.
No. Guesses.
Let's go to the audience.
Audience.
Dhol is right.
That's what you guessed. That's what you
No.
were gonna guess?
Dhol
Okay.
I had forgotten about.
Yeah.
Shit.
Dhamal.
Yeah. Dhol is the reels again got viral. The Thook wala. Yeah.
Dude, again, like
I actually like that movie. I had forgotten.
some of these Priyadarshan films are evergreen, dude.
Yeah.
They will always be
Yeah,
around.
yeah,
They will
yeah.
always work.
I think
Yeah.
I've told you this Kunal Khemu fun fact, na?
What is it?
That he used to live in my society when I was a kid, and he was
Oh, no,
also
I
young
didn't know
only.
this word.
Wow.
Like,
What a
yeah.
fun fact, dude.
Yeah. No. The fun fact's coming now.
Oh, sorry.
The
I
fun
thought that
facts.
was
Don't be
it.
fucking cocky. Dude. I was gonna say something
Damn,
after
huh?
this. Like, wow. The fun fact is, a Republic Day, there was a cricket competition.
You got him out?
अरे यार बोलने तो देना साले.
that'll be fun.
Kunal Kimu was batting, ठीक है,
Okay.
and क्या बोलते out हो गया था वो, but he said out नहीं हुआ मैं, and the stumps was stump chair था एक, ठीक है, and he said out नहीं हुआ मैं, तो जो uncle दूसरे टीम का था, he was like, out हो गया. Kunal Kimu was like नहीं, तो uncle ने chair उठाया उसके मुंह पे मारा था.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
So now every time you see Kunal Kimu, know that मैंने
It's a
उसके
plastic
मुंह
surgery
पे,
face.
yeah, उसके मुंह पे chair लगते हुए देखा है.
shit.
Yeah, it was great.
This was
I watched
before-
it. As a 6-year-old, I was looking at this. This was my upbringing.
But Kunal
Watching
Kimu must have been a
Kimu.
teenager or something then.
Yeah, he was a teenager.
He was a kid who got beat up by an uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uncles get
He
very
had
passionate
already,
about cricket.
he had already done some movies, dude. And by then, like,
Oh,
he was a child
he was
actor.
a child actor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
हाँ, आमिर खान के
Yeah,
साथ.
yeah. हम हैं हमें राय
Yeah, didn't stop the uncle from like hitting.
Maybe
him
got
with
him
a
angry
chair.
or I'll be famous.
इससे ज़्यादा इसके पास मेरे से ज़्यादा पैसे कैसे आ गए? What the fuck?
That's all.
Fun fact.
Okay, cool.
But yeah.
Is anyone on a hat trick?
No. Oh,
Govin's on a hat
Good,
trick.
good.
All right.
How am I on?
Yeah.
2
Three,
I didn't
right?
get.
Yeah, 2 you didn't
Shit,
get.
I thought I didn't get one. Okay.
Beautiful.
ठीक है? Buzz is ready. The next
Yeah.
one.
Hey, listen, sorry.
What
Before
a
this,
disgusting
before
amount
this,
of armpit shaving, by the way. Just
Do you-
disgusting.
do you Google all of this, like save the image and then like
Yeah. I have to save
then
image.
do you
So then
delete history
uh,
after that?
I don't delete history. No. My
Just
history
keep
not
a
deleted.
separate
there.
Google ID for this, dude.
Yeah.
It's fucking up your whole.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
cool,
move
cool.
on.
Let's go.
Buzz is ready.
Buzz ready.
Dash is obsessed with Dash and stalks her constantly. However, Dash goes berserk when she gets engaged to Dash, a Navy officer, and he decides to forcefully claim Dash for himself.
Wait, what? Who's Dash? Wait, Dash is
Okay.
obsessed with Dash.
So you want me to do A and B and C instead? Would that be easier?
It's okay. But like just the girl and boy wala part I'm trying to figure
Okay,
out.
Dash is
Dash
obsessed
is the
with
guy.
Dash
First
and
is the
stalks her
guy.
constantly.
Guy.
However, Dash
It's
goes
always
berserk.
the guy who's
Always,
obsessed.
always.
However, Dash goes berserk when she gets engaged to Dash, a Navy officer,
Yeah.
and he decides to forcefully claim Dash for himself.
Okay. Whose turn is it?
It's a
It's a buzz.
buzzer.
Acha, oh yeah, sorry. No one said anything until now.
Oh man.
Yeah, of course.
Sir, do you want to buzz, dude?
I'll
There's
read one last time.
No fucking idea.
Dash is obsessed with Dash and stalks her constantly. However, Dash goes berserk when she gets engaged to Dash, a Navy officer, and he decides to forcefully claim Dash for himself.
Shit, dude.
You definitely know this film. There's no doubt
There's no
that you,
doubt.
that you don't know this film.
Okay. She gets engaged to
Know
a
this film,
Navy
know of this film.
officer.
Even if you've not seen it, you definitely know
Just
of it.
trying to think of a Navy officer.
You know what the movie's about. Yes, I'm sure you do.
Do you wanna? Do you wanna talk, dude? Say something.
No. I want to say nothing. Give us some.
Give us
then-
some hint,
then
yeah.
For half points then.
Yeah,
for
So
sure.
I'll tell you, the Navy officer
Yeah.
is played by Sunny Deol.
Oh,
Yes.
Is it Dar?
Yes, it is Dar. Nice. 2.5.
Yes.
It's time for
You
me.
knew
Thank
it,
you
of
so
course.
It's
much.
time for me
Thank you
to.
so much.
All good, man. With us. Next one, I think we have a couple more in this.
Hey,
one.
it's a.
No, it's
Oh,
okay. Next one.
punishment.
What is
Oh,
it? What is the next one? What is the next one?
No. Punishment time.
Man, you used to have this in one of your game in the end or
Yes.
something, dude. Not
now it's
every.
become like every, yeah, the whole thing.
Is it-
Let's do,
Huh? Hey,
he can't.
These guys, audience
Somebody
trying
said-
to end career.
Yeah.
It can't.
Yeah,
Let's see. Badmouth Sony, no. That's another brand you worked
Say
with.
Hotstar key dash key dash. Just say that. Let them fill it in.
Dash badmouths.
Okay. Tell me why Kunal Kemu, according to you, deserved to get hit in the
Oh
face
my fucking.
with a chair.
Bro. Kunal Kemu was coming
I'll
up
actually
so
tell you,
often.
to be honest,
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
tell you, he
Yeah.
was out. He was out. I was looking, I was watching
Clean
that
bold.
match.
He was bold.
He was
or
a cheater.
Yeah.
Bold when he was not
Yeah, and he was
walking.
like, nahi,
That's
nahi, dude,
crazy.
that's a child actor, fucking
That's
confidence
crazy.
ki nahi,
Yeah,
main
yeah,
kya karega
He's
be.
like, retake.
He actually was
This is
out.
real
dude.
life.
I was
Cricket
watching
mein no
the match.
retake, bhai. Cricket mein no retake.
Okay, fair.
And this is all happening in Mira Road. It's a very like बहुत अच्छा अग्रेसिव जगह है भाई बिहार रोड तो वहाँ पे नहीं करना चाहिए था उसको.
Okay, cool. We'll do one last one in this game and then move on to the next game. Keep your buzzers ready. While on a visit to India to meet his family, NRI Dr. Dash is set up by terrorists to plant a bomb. His refusal to comply would mean the death of his family members who are being held captive. It's slightly a niche film, but a very good film, in my opinion.
Anish Bazmi.
No, it's not.
Anis Bazmi said. While on a visit to India to meet his family, NRI Dr. Dash is set up by terrorists to plant a bomb. His refusal to comply would mean the death of his family members who are being held captive.
I'm trying to think which Hollywood film has this been copied from.
And then translate that name to Hindi.
Yeah.
Any guesses at
No,
all?
wait,
Is it ringing a bell at all?
Is it
Like, I'm
Godfather?
not
No, I have no idea.
I have this one movie in mind, but I'm not sure. I know there's a terrorist planting bomb and all in that, but I don't remember if he's an NRI doctor.
Yeah, same.
Go
for it.
You
Wait.
could just take a stab.
you have
Okay.
to buzz
I don't remember the name of the movie, but it's something.
Do you remember the actors or actor in
So,
the film?
I don't know if
Is
I'll
it an
sound.
actor?
I don't know if I'll sound racist for this, but is it Amir? I know the.
It is Amir!
Oh, it is! Yes, it is!
Incredible. Yeah?
I wasn't sure of the name of the movie. That's it. I was
That's
like,
awesome.
oh man, it's either Amir or some other name.
Perfect, dude. This is that Rajiv Khandelwal, right?
Yeah,
Rajiv
yeah,
Khandelwal, dude.
Yeah.
Very underrated film.
Yeah, yeah, it
I've
was a great
heard-
movie.
Very, very good.
That's a
Yeah.
great clue. Underrated, man. Fuck, I should have thought of it.
Sorry?
Oh,
Was
that
it
was
really?
amazing.
I did not know that.
Nice.
Amit
Debut album.
Trivedi's debut album is what we've been told.
Oh,
as
man.
a
Amazing, amazing.
Cool, man.
These guys.
Cool. That's very good that you got, man. Very cool. That's the end of this game. Very cool. Let's give
Yes.
these guys very entertaining round.
I think the pressure of me having to do the the punishment
really helping John in
really
that.
helped me, dude, this time.
I can't badmouth Kunal Kemu again, dude.
Yeah. Like after this, the punishment is DM Kunal Kemu. Tell him.
Hey, kya bhai chudi tu out ka? Let's see. Ashish.
So on third place, audience has moved up to 10 points.
Okay, 10 points.
And we have a switch in the lead. Govind has gone up to 20.
What?
And we have Shamik at 17.5.
Very close. Very
Anyone's
close.
game. Fuck it.
All right, man. All right.
Fun. Very fun. Let's go on to... Guys, the next game.
Why did it zoom in?
Dude, that crop is disgusting.
This?
This guy's a grandfather now, dude. Anil Kapoor is a
God.
grandfather now.
Did I tell him to pose like this?
Yeah.
No, man.
No, I'm not blaming you, but in general, yeah.
I like that.
Enough.
I like that that's the Times of India. They probably hate this.
Maybe the news is like some sad news. He's just using it to
How
cover
can we
his
make
junk.
it more appealing
Also,
to
is
people?
he like, dude, you got a urine sample there? What's that? Because that's going to be a bad report. That is like deep colored. Might have issues.
Oh, good God. Okay, let's go. That was the end of this game. We found out that Govind is at 20,
Yeah.
Shamik's at 17.5, and the audience is at
17.5?
10, right?
Where
Okay.
did he get a 5 from?
Half
the
point.
2.5
yeah,
half
yeah.
point, yeah. All right. The next game is very simple. It's called
Yeah.
the name game.
Good.
All right. How this works is I will basically if I will ask you for movies or songs of a particular actor or actress depending upon the question. If the question says give me movies of Shah Rukh Khan, then Govind will name one movie of Shah Rukh Khan, then Shamik will name one, then the audience, this time they are the actual third contestant, they will name one, and then the circle continues.
Got it.
Till one person runs out. Whoever runs out is a loser, the other two people get
I
points.
don't
alright?
like
How
this
many
game,
points?
man. But
5 points in the first two
Okay.
rounds of this, and then the third one, because it's like a little special kind of
Yeah.
round, that one will go for 10 points. All right.
Cool.
So let's go. Starting with Govind. Movies of Hrithik Roshan. Give me movies of Hrithik Roshan.
Fighter.
Absolutely.
Wow, what a weird first choice.
Yeah.
You saw that recently?
No.
Oh.
Everyone said it was fuck all, so why would I?
wasn't
And
good,
it's Top Gun, so why would I watch? I
Yeah.
watched Top Gun.
Fair. What do you think?
Krish.
Yes, absolutely. Right.
That should have been the
I don't
first.
know why I thought you were also participating.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
I
I
want to
can.
get him.
You want me to?
No,
Okay.
don't. That'll reduce the options for me. No. Don't. Okay, Krish 3.
Yeah, again, right? You're right. Yes.
Doom 2.
Yes, you're right. Yes, you're right.
Okay. Arey, what the? I was going with Koi
Yeah, 30
Mil.
seconds each time. Think.
yeah.
No worries. Take your time.
Oh, Lakshya. Yeah, okay.
Absolutely, Laksh.
Fizza.
Yeah, boy. Tiger 3. Yes, at the end. Yes, post credit scene.
Can I name his brand HRX? What else was he in? Oh, no.
These guys are writing a note to Hrithik right now.
Dear Hrithik.
Man, under pressure, I just
Do you know Kunal Kemu was slapped in the face by a
Oh, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. Mission Kashmir.
Yep, bro. Boom, bro. Kite.
Shit, that's the one I was saving for a last entry.
Fuck.
Luck by Chance.
Absolutely, yes, correct. Good cameo.
Mm. Lakshya.
He said Laksh.
Oh, you
I
said
said
Lakshya?
Yeah, you still have about 20 seconds, I would say. Okay, let's think.
Fuck.
About 10 seconds, if I'm being generous.
I'm loving this, huh, Shamik, just saying.
Oh, fuck. What's the
3,
movie?
2, 1. Bro.
Whoa.
That was Govind and
What's
the
the
audience.
movie where he's on the wheelchair?
Yeah, Guzarish. That's what I was saving up.
ZNMD.
Shit.
Yes.
Dude, that's the thing. Under pressure, you just
Yeah, you
forget the main.
Vikram Vedha I really liked.
Oh, I don't know that one.
And Kabil. Okay, मुझसे
War.
दोस्ती करोगे?
मुझसे दोस्ती
आप मुझे
करोगी,
अच्छे लगे।
right?
मुझसे
Ah,
That's
the
the one
email
I
one,
thought
na,
of.
the
Correct.
email one.
Bang Bang, absolutely correct.
Crazy.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ, of course, famously. Crazy 4. Yes. Dawn 2. Yeah, the
Man,
mask off.
if I lost on Hrithik, this game is going to go much worse for me. This is the one I knew and I fucked up.
Do you guys have a favorite Hrithik movie? A lot of people do.
I mean,
No.
Kaho Na Pyare just because when it came out,
It was
what
the
it
rage.
meant to me then.
Yeah.
Correct.
Dude, when
I
Kaho
don't-
Na Pyare was, like, when I watched it first, like, I keep saying this, like, whenever Amisha was on screen, I'm like, can you move out of the way? I'm looking at Hrithik right now. And now I'm like, what was wrong with me?
Dude, that's the movie.
Yeah.
That's the movie that like taught me that I can't dance, dude. Like I was a kid and I was like, oh fuck, this is not something.
I'm gonna be a dancer when I grow up, and then you see
Yeah,
Hrithik
yeah.
like, no. Turns out I can't be a dancer when I grow up. All right.
Best slide.
No, not this one.
Okay.
Starting with Shamik, sing me songs of Akshay Kumar.
Sing is king.
Sing is king.
Sing is bling. Is that in the sequel?
Sing is bling.
Wait. Oh man, wow, that was very fast. I can't. Wait, what is he?
He's not a song guy, really.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, what do you mean by that?
No, I can only think of him in like Gold and all, where he's singing, dude. He's just thinking about
one
the country.
movie where he does not have like.
He's thinking
probably
about the
a
country,
famous-
dude. I can only think about him. Think about the country.
Yeah, fair, I guess.
Shit.
Fair enough.
No, so can I sing the national anthem and like maybe he's sung it? Yeah, Canadian national anthem.
How much time?
Okay, wait.
About 15 seconds, bro. Come on, quick.
Akshay Kumar. Man, this is so.
These guys are so
embarrassing.
annoyed.
Think of-
This
They're
is-
like, you're not going to give us a chance to say one.
Think of famous Akshay Kumar films, highly sought after.
No, let him not think.
no, I'm done.
That's not a song by Akshay.
I think.
Bro, really? Okay, I think
Yeah.
you're out, dude. You guys had, I'm sure. So many, that is like a ton, dude.
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त.
Dude, all the Hera Fairy
sing.
songs.
I know.
Hera songs.
Tell me.
हमें सीधे साधे अक्षय
This
is a
one
song.
though,
This
don't
one,
know.
though, I
I
don't know. But I know
hum
there are
hai
enough
seedhe
songs.
songs.
I know there are.
No shit. There are Akshay Kumar
There is
songs.
multiple songs.
He
of
has been
singers
in
king
more
itself.
than one song. Yes. that
Teri
is true.
Or, then welcome
Oh,
songs.
no, stop!
मैं आलू,
This
एक वारी,
torture.
ओ एक वारी तू हक्त मेरा.
Yes, I
तू
love that
हक्त
song.
मेरा.
हद सोनिए, ओ बल्ले बल्ले.
Dude, songs by actors, I just can't do it.
Thank God.
Fair enough, man. No worries. चलो ठीक है, 5-5 each.
Yeah,
you
okay,
both got in
fair.
this. Let's go to the next one. The next version of this round. This was the
Your audience is gonna hate me, dude.
no,
Not
no,
even
no,
one.
Don't worry. So this was the simple, like the regular part of the
This
name
was
game.
simple. You saw how we fucked up.
This was the regular part of the name game. There's an advanced part for 10 points.
Okay.
Okay,
Starting
got
with
it.
Govind.
Oh fuck. Okay.
Sing me songs about
Okay,
or songs that mention alcohol, daru, getting drunk, etc.
Okay. 4
Yeah.
बज गए लेकिन party
Party
अभी
अभी
बाकी
बाकी है,
है.
correct.
Nice. There's some Talli song,
Yeah,
right?
Talli.
मैं
Yeah.
Talli हो गई.
चल दारू
अरे
ला.
I think you just said the word.
No, मैं Talli हो गई.
No, there is, yeah. Talli,
That-
मैं Talli,
Yeah.
मैं Talli
I just don't want to
हो
sing.
गई. They
He
said,
said
they said
already.
गणपत चल दारू ला. Yeah.
आज ब्लू है पानी पानी is a party. इसमें है
नहीं,
ना
नहीं,
नहीं है.
है.
थ्री साइड पे
हनी
पानी
सिंह का
शोर
गाना है कैसे
Oh, that's
क्या
very
क्या
smart.
क्या बात करता है वो और
That's very smart. So that counts?
Yes, counts. Yeah.
Uh,
There are more, correct.
4 बोतल वोडका.
Yes.
Yo saves my ass.
Yo.
Oh, नशे.
कुड़ी नशे से चढ़ गई, टुरुडु, टुरुडु, पतंग से लड़ गई.
Hey, but that's just nasha. That's not daru. You can say
but
any
चढ़ गई, चढ़
anything.
गई.
I mean, so it's like, it's you get it, man. It's about getting drunk. It's a stretch, but,
But
you can
that's
say nasha.
high. Okay, high also.
High
counts.
also
I mean,
works.
see, पहला नशा would
Oh,
not count, you're right.
does high work?
Huh?
Because I have one right now.
Okay, I'll make it. See, we'll
Okay.
make the
Baba
exception.
ji ki booty.
Yes.
That was because he put the story
Yeah.
with that song for us.
Oh,
That's
no,
why
I just
Nice.
like that song.
Fair enough.
Oh, okay.
But I'll make it. I'll make one exception for you also.
Yeah.
Because he said that. If you want another kind of getting high, but otherwise, alcohol songs, go ahead.
Baba ji ki booty.
About I would say 20 seconds left.
I just want to see if I can sing the
Man.
whole song.
Chillum something.
Daru.
Yeah.
है
Oh,
उसमें,
yeah, bro.
That's how you got it.
No exception.
Some Devdas song, dude.
Yeah, you're right.
Sing.
Which one?
Devdas.
Just start crying. I think
I don't know
that's-
any Devdas
No.
song.
I think you're
I'm out.
you're done, dude. The शीशे से शीशा लग रहा है.
Oh.
There's also हमका पीनी है हमका भी.
Say some more, some more.
थोड़ी सी जो पीली है.
Okay, I don't feel bad. I don't know any of these. Next.
Alcoholia.
Oh, you don't know हमका पीनी है?
नहीं. Then? दारू देसी. Fuck.
मैं शराबी मैं दारू देसी. Yes.
Oh, yeah, मैं शराबी. Man, Bollywood has a problem, dude.
Sharabi.
Alcohol
Dude,
problem.
he's literally sharabi and I missed it. Fuck.
Okay. Very cool.
Okay.
Okay.
I get 10 points.
You get 10 points. Full
Oh,
10
fuck.
points for Govind Menon. Very well done.
Just
Very well
sheer luck.
And I think someone's on a hat trick.
No. I just got the
Okay.
previous
Yeah,
one.
we
got
both
one.
fucked
Correct.
up
Chill.
one
Fair
time.
enough, fair enough,
Chill,
fair enough.
dude, chill. Doesn't have to be punishment every 2
All right,
minutes.
cool. That was the end of this game as well. Let's see where we stand at the end of game 3.
Shit. He's ahead by like a lot. Yeah. 7.5 points.
So
at least.
slipping to third place, we have Shamik at 22.5.
Fucking
Sleeping? You're sleeping?
How much?
22.5.
Okay.
And
That's Shamik.
audience has gone up to 30.
Okay.
And Govind is leading with 35.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh God.
Let's
It's
go.
an unassailable lead, I feel.
Very cool. Very cool, man. The next game is called Versus Versus. All right.
Bye. मैं निकलता हूँ.
Wait, I
You
have to
said
find-
it like Zakir also. Okay, let's.
How this game
let's go.
works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. The second verse, because the second verse is the least heard part of any song. Radio pe they don't play, DJ doesn't play. When listening to music yourself, you'll be like, after the first verse, like, haan, theek hai, ho gaya, move on to the next song. So the second verse, I will read as a piece of poetry, off tune, just no tune at all.
Got
And
it.
you guys have to recognize the lyrics, tell me what the song is, buzz in, and let me know what the song is.
Cool.
And whoever said it first, basically gets the points. All right?
All
Simple
right.
enough. Let's go. The first one is keep your buzzers at the ready. No, it's gonna come here. Huh? You don't have to look at the screen.
Oh,
It's on-
okay,
it's on
yeah,
cue
sorry.
cards. Okay?
I forget.
No, it's all good. The first one. The first song का second verse का lyrics are as follows. तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है.
This guy's got it already.
तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है. रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है. मेरी यादों में तुम, मेरी बातों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम.
By the way, he's rhyming hair with hair everywhere and
That's
tum
true.
with tum
Yeah,
everywhere.
that is true.
Lazy.
Yeah.
यादों में तुम मेरे बातों में तुम.
This has been there in so many songs, but this last bit,
है ना?
it feels like.
But if
Yeah,
Okay, dude.
wait, you're not gonna half. अच्छा, half
No, no,
is
wait,
half points. Yeah.
So-
Okay, wait.
I'll read
more time,
again.
just read it.
I'll read again.
Ah, one more time, read it.
तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है. रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है. मेरी यादों में तुम, मेरी बातों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम. So if you can't think of a tune, would you mind making up a tune and seeing in your head? I want to see
No,
what
I
you
saw
think
it, but it's a
possible
horrible tune.
Let's see what it is. Let's just see what it is.
No, no, it's.
No, what do you?
मेरे यादों
No,
में
bro.
तुम.
yeah.
You're trying to embarrass us more on
Yeah.
this show.
No, it's
मेरे
just
यादों में
see.
तुम.
I want to see if you guys are composers. You never know.
No, that's why I started comedy, dude. I couldn't do music.
Oh, you
But
don't
anyway, मेरे यादों में तुम, मेरे बातों में तुम.
No, तुम यादों में.
Oh, I'll try.
Okay, try.
Is it that song? Raat din subah sham.
No, that's not it.
No, that song.
No. So
Sing. Half.
So, half and half,
I want to
yeah?
hear you sing. That's
Okay.
why.
Half and half then.
Yeah, half and half.
Okay. Buzz is ready.
Yeah.
तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है. रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है. मेरी यादों में तुम,
Oh, this is a girl
मेरी
is
बातों में
singing,
तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम.
No.
Antriksh, you won't believe this. This didn't help both of us
Yeah,
at
yeah,
all.
I believe it.
At all.
I believe it. quite a lot.
It took me away, further away from the answer somehow.
So maybe you just.
I don't think this is a song. That's my answer. I think you just made it up.
Oh, you're right, dude. Throw this away.
Trick question, right? Give me 10
Yeah.
points. You could sing the first verse and I don't think we'll get it. Fuck the
Yeah,
second
you could
verse.
sing the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
You could
so
play it right now. And I would Shazam it and my Shazam won't actually tell me because my Shazam doesn't, it's like me only. It's like, I don't know this song.
So you definitely heard the song, and you know the song
Wait,
for sure.
the audience guesses, no?
Yeah,
Wait,
but I'll
one last time.
I'll half sing it one last
He
time.
loves to do
Okay?
this. Let him do it.
तेरा मेरा जन्मों का नाता है, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता है. रिश्ते ये रब ही बनाता है, करके बहाने मिलाता है. मेरी यादों में तुम, मेरी बातों में तुम, मेरी सांसों में तुम, मेरी राहों में तुम. No, nothing at all.
No.
It's vibey though. I vibe to it.
I-
But
You want one more line?
Sure.
बोले मेरी धड़कन धीरे धीरे.
Nope.
nope.
Let's throw to the
Dude,
audience. then.
when you said
For
the
half points.
first line, this guy was like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
सर की जो सर से जिसमें तेरी चुनरिया.
Oh. Fuck, you're right, dude. Second verse, no one listens to.
Also, do you realize the song I sang has so many of the similar lines? मेरी राहों में तुम.
Oh
मेरी
yeah.
सांसों- It's the- so I
Yeah.
fucking- That's bullshit.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Yeah.
That's true.
wow.
Yeah, wow.
Nice. Well done.
Nice, bro.
Foreshadowing.
Here you go.
Nice.
For that.
Foreshadow.
Nice.
You get a melody. Enjoy.
Wow, it took me embarrassingly long to
Yeah.
understand that. By the way. It took me 10 whole seconds.
You're
Then I was
professional.
like, oh,
You have to say-
melody.
You're a professional. Go and
Yeah, it was embarrassing. On camera, it shows because
Yeah.
all of you are like, yeah, and I'm
Hey,
just staring. What melody?
Is there another game after this? One more
Yeah, there are
round?
plenty,
Thank
plenty.
God. Thank God.
Yeah. All right.
You'll
Next
redeem
one.
yourself. Okay.
Shamik on a hat trick.
Just tell me
One
the
more.
punishment now only. No, like, go for it.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Buzz is ready. कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया. रिश्वत देना तो yes.
Look at these guys.
Yes,
for it,
you
go
got
for
it.
Fuck. Wait. Wait. Huh. Can I just say?
Yeah. No, you're not.
in a question format.
No, you
Okay,
can just say it.
Give me some sunshine. Yeah.
Wow, man. No,
Full on,
you're
bro,
gonna win
full
this,
on.
bro. It's over.
And
you
first
don't-
line.
Yeah,
Good,
you don't
very good.
remember? It was so sad. I was like,
Also,
man, that song
literally
was-
in this song, this part, it's spoken word only. It's
Yeah,
not in sung.
exactly.
So it's exactly
How are we
the way
going
it
to
is.
sing it if we hadn't got it?
Yeah.
But like, I would have just tried to do the impression.
Kandho ko.
yeah.
No, I remember the song was great and suddenly he starts speaking. I'm like, man,
Yeah.
shut the fuck up, just sing.
99% marks लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी.
Yeah, it didn't affect me at all though. I didn't do engineering. I didn't do engineering.
Because your parents didn't do chhadi for you, man. Did they hit you? Were you beat up as a kid?
No. Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
This is
No,
all.
no, my parents beat Kunal ke moment.
Oh, your dad, dude. Oh, your dad. Very cool. Full 5 for Govind, and Shamik's hat trick is up, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Bring it on.
Let's see. Shamik ji has 2. Anything from you guys?
I'm not dancing. Fuck off.
Okay.
Something else.
Not happening.
Hey, listen, can we stop?
Yeah. I like this one. Thank you so much.
Appeal to Bollywood to make more cricket movies.
Okay, so you have to. Sorry, sir, could you repeat that?
Appeal to Bollywood to make more cricket movies.
Great, that's a great one. Coming from my producer now, Ashish.
He's the producer's producer.
Yeah, producer.
Alright.
Give me an impassioned speech. Give us an impassioned speech
Yeah.
as to why Bollywood should be making more cricket movies, cricket-related movies about cricket.
And there should be one tier. Not
Just put it in post.
Yes.
Why do we need this? All right. Which is my camera? Okay. Dear Bollywood, we need films where India wins the match. Because the real team isn't doing it right now. So let us at least live the fantasy of a series win. Just make films where India wins. You've done it with hockey once.
Once.
And of course, we knew that Shah Rukh would immediately buy a cricket team after that film, saying fuck off to hockey. But we need more cricket films. Biopics, maybe realistic ones where you don't just show the positive side of a protagonist.
All right, that's
Thala for a reason. Thank you.
Let's hear it
So
from
more
Shah Rukh.
cricket, please. Thank you.
very nice.
Thank you.
Very nicely done. Let's go. Guys, song number 3 in this game is as follows. ख्यालों में लाखों बात यूं तो कह गया, बोला कुछ ना तेरे सामने, ओ हुए ना बेगाने भी तुम होके और के, देखो तुम ना मेरे ही बने, अफसोस होता है दिल भी ये रोता है, सपने संजोता है, पगला हुआ. और जब पिघला हुआ. You already know the song.
yeah, you're asking them,
Yeah.
is this the correct?
They are your autocorrect.
पगला हुआ is right, guys. Correction का correction has come.
Please, guys, please clarify. Otherwise, I can't guess. Please make it clear which one it is.
Can you do that again? Say
I'll do
that
it
again.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
ख्यालों में लाखों बात यूं तो कह गया, बोला कुछ ना तेरे सामने, ओ हुए ना बेगाने भी तुम होके और के, देखो तुम ना मेरे ही बने, अफसोस होता है दिल भी ये रोता है, सपने संजोता है, पगला हुआ. Anything?
That last part, I don't know, it sounds
Again.
familiar, but
Yep.
Again, a song you've heard.
Only
for
the
sure.
last
all
part.
these.
the last part sounds familiar, but I
Okay.
can't.
अफसोस होता है दिल भी ये रोता है, सपने संजोता है, पगला हुआ.
This Pagla Hua doesn't sound
Pagla
familiar,
just throws me off.
but- Yeah.
Okay.
Go for it, man. Sing, dude.
No,
Sing, sing.
see, again, there are no negative points. If at this point you want to take any guess
No,
at
no.
all, wild guesses also,
No.
right?
We'll go for half now.
ठीक है, then half for half it is. Let's go. ख्यालों में लाखों बात यूं तो कह गया, बोला कुछ ना तेरे सामने, ओ हुए ना बेगाने भी तुम होके और के, देखो तुम ना मेरे ही बने, अफसोस होता है
Wow,
दिल
man,
भी
he's
ये
going
रोता
for
है, सपने संजोता है, पगला हुआ.
Amazing, amazing work.
I know the song, but I can't think of
God
it.
damn it all to hell.
Yeah, you sang it actually well.
Yeah,
Thank you. That's what I want to hear.
I hope that happens. You have to cut this round and then change the scores.
अरे यार, I know it's a Ranbir Kapoor. अरे
Come on.
खुदा जाने क्यों आ रहा है मेरे मन में. That's not the tone at all. I know.
Yeah, you are kind of, yeah.
Can you?
अफसोस होता है, दिल भी ये रोता है, सपने संजोता है, पगला हुआ.
This पगला हुआ it just ruins everything.
All right.
अरे यार, I can't remember the name of the song. I know.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it Bachna?
Dude, I know the music video also. What's
What is the
happening?
video? What is the video?
Katrina
Yes,
Kaif
yes.
is in a
Yes.
black
Yes.
sari
That's
walking.
right.
I
That's
know, dude, but I can't
right.
remember the name.
Yes.
Trina Kaif. Oh,
अरे यार.
damn it.
I feel like there are two very similar songs in the same film. This one and then the other one, which look also visually very similar.
Yeah, but I like this song. That's
Yeah, it's a
why
very
it's
good
more
song.
irritating because I used
Who
to
sung
listen
it?
to this.
Chal bhai,
that
khatam
I-
bhai.
that
You know,
I don't know.
it's
That I
Atif
don't know.
Aslam.
It's Atif
Famously.
Aslam. Okay, and it's that movie which sucked, but their songs was good. Like
movie's
where
okay. It's
Katrina
not that
Kaif
bad.
is very dumb and.
It's better than Jigra, this movie. Yes.
Is it Ajab Prem? Ki?
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah, bola.
Tu Jaane Na. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Dude, it took so long.
Yeah,
This is
you
a
got it.
song I used to
Tu
listen to so.
Jaane Na.
Yeah. I used to listen to this dude throughout.
Yeah.
But I just.
And the other song is very similar to this is Tera
Hone Laga Wo.
Which film is this?
Same movie. Both
Same
same.
movie.
Ajab
Ajab
Prem
Prem,
Nigam Khan.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ajab Prem ki
Hey, wait, did I help you by saying Ajab Prem? At the moment I said it, you guessed. That's
No,
why
no,
I
he
was
guessed
like-
before that. He guessed before
No,
that.
no, I said it and
I
then he
actually
guessed.
didn't hear you. I mean.
Okay, good.
Famously doesn't hear the Kokan.
That's true.
That's-
wow, man.
Wow,
they know,
bro, what a
they know
fan.
you.
Nice.
They know.
What a fan,
Nice.
dude. Sanskar,
Nice.
man.
This
Wow.
guy. He's
I'm
slowly.
I'm
impressed.
not listening to
He's slowly gonna take over, dude. He knows.
Dude,
he know,
dude,
you don't
so
know.
That's a
them.
throwback to anyone who watched Govind's previous episode with Hoshang.
He doesn't listen.
So basically, you know how you have to say the in Bollywood Jeopardy or say the answer in the form of a question,
Yeah.
right? So Hoshang said the answer, didn't ask her the question.
And
Govind
he
could have
didn't.
stolen it,
I did.
but he had not what the answer.
I'm
was.
not listening.
Wow,
I will listen.
Makes sense. Makes
Very
sense.
cool. All right.
Name was used to give warning to Urjita and
Oh,
That
really?
just happens. Yeah, yeah.
For
you,
what?
you get brought up quite a few times.
For what?
on just as to how not to play.
I'm winning, dude. Don't make me feel bad.
Today you are winning. Today you prepared and come, man.
yeah,
What is
bro.
this?
It's very, very cool. I'm
You're
quite
getting
impressed.
lyrics and all.
Okay, chalo, let's go. The next one. Song
Yeah.
number 4 in this game.
Yeah.
Ka lyrics are as follows. लट्टे दी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर माहिया आओ सामने तेरा ही साइज आ 10 माहिया मलमल दा कुर्ता दिखदा है सब कुछ क्लियर माहिया
Yeah, okay.
तेरे सामने लगदा है छोटा पलंग माहिया
Okay.
ओ सियापा ओए होए डेथ ही हो गई
Just all the words. Chakde phatte.
मस्त कलंदर
Mast kalanda.
But there's more. Loud speaker te Madonna बजदी हो like a virgin. इत्थे उत्ते कहंदी ट्रफालगर दे कबूतर वर्गी ओ मेहमा
What the fuck
ओ मेहमा
is this?
फिरदी
I don't know.
Mehma.
What is new?
ट्रफालगर दे कबूतर वर्गी ओ मेहमा फिरदी गुटर गु कर दी
Jesus
I
Christ.
don't know what's happening.
गुलाबी शेड दा रंग है फिरंगी रखी तू सांभ के आ
Is this a conversation?
No, it's a proper song, and it's a song that you guys have heard for sure. Okay, Sannu te lagda South Hall ton changi.
South Hall.
South Hall ton changi. Jagah koi nahi hai vadiya.
Is this from De Dhanadhan Goal?
No, it's not.
Okay,
Is
I'll
that
just
the
I have no I'll just take a guess. Blah, 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 blah.
Yes.
Is it fucking Urda Punjab.
No, it's not the
Oh,
one.
actually, that's a.
Yeah, because in that there's one rap part which I haven't
Guys-
listened to carefully.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
I was
yeah.
like, maybe it's that part.
What version and all he's saying, and the version. Oh,
But it's
Siappa.
okay. I can guess the kind of film it is.
What kind of? Can you get what kind
No,
of?
I
film?
don't want to give clues right now
Okay,
because
okay.
he'll get it. This
Okay.
guy listens to Bollywood. Oh.
Same composer is what we have been told.
Hmm.
Right? Okay, let's go. I'll read one more time.
Please.
Okay. लट्टे दी चादर उत्ते हनीमून कर माहिया आओ सामने तेरा की साइज ए 10 माहिया मलमल दा कुर्ता दिखदा ए सब कुछ क्लियर माहिया तेरे सामने लगदा ए छोटा पलंग माहिया ओ सियापा ओए होए डेथ हो गई
रहती हो गई.
जाती होगी.
ਲਾਊਡ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਹੋ ਲਾਈਕ ਏ ਵਰਜਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਫਾਲਗਰ ਦੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਗੁੱਟਰ ਗੂ ਕਰਦੀ ਆਈ ਡੋਨਟ ਨੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਸ਼ੇਡ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਫਿਰੰਗੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਾਊਥਾਲਟਨ ਚੰਗੀ ਜੱਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ
Pancho. Can you have some? Can you give me some makke di roti
And
and
lassi.
sarson da saag, dude? I'm
Sarson da
feeling very
saag.
Punjabi right now.
at my wedding by the way.
Punjabi.
Aren't you Punjabi?
I am Punjabi.
You just said I don't know.
I don't know Punjabi, but
Acha, okay.
yeah.
You should, but yeah, okay.
I mean, I
okay.
should know
This
things.
feels like it'll be some fucking.
Namaste London. Some.
Yeah, some
Let's
Akshay Kumar
collaborate,
types.
Shamik.
Akshay
Let's
Kumar
collaborate.
types where he's in London. Obviously, Trafalgar and all are being
Yeah,
mentioned.
South Hall also, no?
South Hall.
Yes, correct.
हाँ?
Yep.
तो South Hall था उसके लिए दे दनादन गोल बोला. I think that's in South Hall only. They are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What song has the city that you just mentioned in the name?
Namaste London. अच्छा. London.
That's not a song actually. That's
अच्छा. Hi London.
Hi London is. Hi London.
Hi.
London
Hey,
से
fuck.
निकली.
Dude, what if it's that? What is that? Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan. London Dreams. Yeah.
Kana badosh. Okay, let's go. Should I go half round?
Go for it, man.
Okay.
Go for it.
So buzzes are ready. It's very possible you get it because of the tune. Okay.
No.
ਲੱਟੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਹਨੀਮੂਨ ਕਰ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਆਓ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਕੀ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੈ 10 ਮਾਹੀਆ ਮਲਮਰ ਦਾ ਕੁਰਤਾ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਛੋਟਾ ਪਲੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਓ ਸਿਆਪਾ and then thoda music comes and then they're like oye hoye death hi ho gayi and then it's loud speaker te madonna vajdi ho like a virgin itte utte kendi quick yes quick you can also still guess because he hasn't gotten it but quickly
Tu hat mera thara soniye. Is it that song? Oh, balle balle.
no
Same movie.
sorry bro not in the same movie
Shit.
so now you can't take a guess go ahead and still have the thing
No.
okay
the
I will
song.
I will continue reading because you haven't buzzed in yet so I will continue half singing
There you go. I busted.
ठीक है
Is it Tunak?
I don't know why. Why was I cocky
Yeah.
right now? What the
Why-
fuck?
what the
I know,
fuck?
but I know which song you're playing.
Okay.
I mean, singing.
लाउड स्पीकर ते
हाँ,
मडोना वजदी
Shh.
यस
But
I think I
लाइक
got
ए
it now.
वर्जिन
I think
Wait.
I got it now.
इथे उत्ते कंदी
I think it's the tu
Yeah,
song.
yeah. I can't say, right?
You can't, bro, sorry.
Fuck, I knew the movie also, dude. Shit.
More London things.
Turu. Yeah. मेरे मन में
The thing is, I have to go to the audience now. That's it.
Audience.
You guys are done.
I got it. Give me this chance to redeem myself.
Can I give him 1 point and let him answer?
One
Yeah,
point.
yeah bro, you
Fine.
can't.
Is
But I
that
said
London to
Turu,
Magda,
Turu,
dude?
Turu.
London to
Magda.
Magda.
Right, one
Oh
point.
yeah, London to Magda.
Queen, right?
So get
Nice.
a big bag.
I said turu.
Yeah, right.
Doesn't that get half a point?
Unbelievable.
Great, that was amazing.
You knew it.
Yeah, this is one of the films I've heard the songs of also, and I forgot.
It's a very good film also.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
good
I
film.
like this.
Yeah.
Turu.
Back when she was great.
Back
Back
when she was
when
excellent, dude.
she
Yeah,
was-
exactly. And then what happened? Let's
Kya
not
pata,
talk
bhai.
about it. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Buzz is ready.
Let's go.
We'll do at least 3 more in this.
Why
okay?
do I keep looking
At
at
least
the
3
screen?
more?
At least 3 more. At least
Yeah,
3
okay,
more.
at least 3
Let's
more.
go. Let's go.
Okay, fast.
ठीक है
चलो.
ओके डॉक्टर लौट जाता फी ना मिलती अगर तू माँ के पोते के अंदर पड़ा ही रह जाता हर बार
My goodness.
वो किया जिसने पैदा
It's done.
That's it. I'll read again.
Yeah,
डॉक्टर लौट जाता फी ना मिलती अगर तू माँ के पोते के अंदर पड़ा ही रह जाता मेरे हर बार
What a messed up song.
वो किया जिसने पैदा ओके I'll do one more line वो किया जिसने पैदा वो ईश्वर है ना मैया कम ऑन वो किया जिसने पैदा वो ईश्वर है ना मैया
I have no fucking clue.
Sing. Half
Okay,
points.
half or half then?
points, yeah.
डॉक्टर लौट जाता फी ना मिलती अगर तो माँ के पोते के अंदर पड़ा ही रह जाता मैं हर बार वो किया जिसने पैदा वो ईश्वर है ना मैया
Shh.
यस
अरे यार.
ट्यून ट्यून बोल ट्यून आगे तेरे को Yes. कैसा लग रहा है?
I know
Along those
this.
Do the tune again.
ईश्वर
Do the tune properly, man.
Shavik, did you have?
No, I'm waiting for him to do the tune properly, then I'll guess.
You have no idea?
No idea.
डॉक्टर लौट जाता फी ना मिलती अगर तो माँ के पोते के अंदर पड़ा ही रह जाता हर बार वो किया जिसने पैदा वो ईश्वर है ना मैया या
I got it. Can
Quick,
I?
yes,
सबसे
quickly.
बड़ा रुपया.
yes absolutely right
I'm fucking helping you at this point, dude.
he literally was waiting for Govind to get the tune right dude
Perfect, dude. Once you sang it right, I
yeah
got it.
सबसे बड़ा रुपया bluff master yeah and also,
I don't like this, but okay. Cool.
okay chalo let's do
Okay, wait. Is he?
No,
ahead
you're
of me?
leading.
Ah,
You're
okay, cool. Then
leading
it's
by
good.
a
Then
lot.
it's good.
Don't worry.
Then it's good.
let's do 2 more in this okay and
Okay.
then we'll call it a game let's go the next one मन में है राधे को कान्हा जो बसाए तो कान्हा
अरे बहनचोद.
हेलो यार
Dude, the audience.
Make it a challenge for us.
या
Okay, sorry again.
मन में है राधे को कान्हा जो बसाए जो कान्हा काहे को उसे ना बताए प्रेम की अपनी अलग बोली अपनी भाषा है बात नैनों से यस
Is it that Radha कैसे ना जले?
Dude, what the fuck is happening all of a sudden?
Lagan, bro.
राधे एंड कान्हा comes
Yeah,
in like
yeah,
5
yeah.
times
I
already.
almost was going to say some tere naam shit because Radhe. I'm like, no.
It wasn't
way.
Shami getting a cricket movie wrong would
Yeah,
be very
dude.
sad.
Thank God.
राधा
Oh,
कैसे ना या मन में है
Oh, you're
राधे
coming back
को
now.
कान्हा को
Fuck, what a
बसाए
relief, man. That I didn't have to wait for you to sing the tune.
चलो let's do
Last one.
let's do 2 more in this no we have
Keep saying 2 more.
okay let's do we can do
Go
this
for
this
it,
can be
man.
last no this can be
Whatever,
last
man,
this can be last so we'll see how
Yeah,
quickly
okay.
this happens we'll see
Okay.
सब जंजीरें तोड़ के सारी उलझन छोड़ के हम हैं दिल है और है आवारगी कुछ दिन से हम लोग पर आता है सबको नजर आया है जो दौर है आवारगी and we go on and on and on and on
I
and
didn't
on
expect English all of a sudden.
and we go on and on and on and on and on
Do they? Okay.
I'll read again
No.
Yeah.
But you want to sing the singing part?
Should we do the singing part?
I
Yeah,
mean,
go for
I don't
it.
know
Yeah, let's
right
go for
now.
it.
Okay.
Singing.
just straight up
Yeah.
not even
Yeah,
trying
straight
to
up.
Okay,
dude.
once more read.
हाँ,
Let him read
once
it
more
once
read,
more.
once more
Fuck it.
सब जंजीरें तोड़ के सारी उलझन छोड़ के हम हैं दिल है और है आवारगी कुछ दिन से हम लोग पर आता है सबको नजर आया है जो दौर है आवारगी and we go on and on and
Okay.
on and on and on
Anyway,
and we go on and on
I'll
and on,
take
and
a
on.
guess since we're anyway going to go for half points. Is it that Hindustani song? Suno na ke duniya.
No, no, it's not that. No, not that.
Okay, good.
Any guess at all? No,
No guess.
No? Alright.
No.
This camera's fine, no? You don't hear? Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है so half for half then
Yeah.
for this is सब जंजीरें तोड़ के सारी उलझन छोड़ के हम हैं दिल है और है आवारगी कुछ दिन से हम लोग पर आता है सबको नजर आया है जो दौर है आवारगी and we go on and on and on and on yes
shit. I know. I just reserved it. 1 second.
But at this point, see, he's still thinking. You can, if you get it, you get it.
No, I was still thinking. No.
No. But I'm saying if you can still absolutely steal it. Still, it's not
Can
wrong.
you sing it? Sing it out.
Sing
Dude,
out,
I
dude.
helped you once. You helped me once, dude.
Okay.
What, to me? Was that to me? Acha. Okay,
He's still trying to think.
and we go on. That
Shh.
part sounds familiar. Why the fuck should I help you?
Why can't he talk? This is
I'm
a
doing
podcast. You're telling, yeah.
Hey, so after Shush, if he says something, that's my point.
That is your point.
So
Yeah.
I guess.
Sorry.
Shush. No, wait.
I know the song. I
sure.
know everything. I'm just not remembering the fucking lyrics.
I've heard this song for sure, but it's not the song I've heard too much. So, not
Okay,
really.
maybe. Possibly so. And we go on and on and
Fuck.
on and on.
How can I forget the lyrics of the main lyric of this?
They keep going on. So, think about. Wow, he kept the mic and like shut himself
Oh,
off.
dude, now only you and I are on the
Yeah,
podcast.
let's go to the next round while he has his ear shut.
They'll make it red. Zindagi na milegi. The Tomatina
Ek
song,
Junu,
right?
ek
Ek Junu.
Deewana.
Oh, dude, I don't remember the
Thank
second
God,
verse
dude.
at all.
It's
Dude,
literally
great, yeah.
one of 3 Hindi films that I listen to the songs of
Great.
regularly. I should
Great,
get
yeah.
that.
Very cool.
But
Very cool.
I skip this one usually. This song.
This is a good song.
Yeah, it's nice, but I just
Okay, we'll do one final one.
sure, man.
Okay.
I'm
Ek
suddenly
aakhri.
enjoying
Chalo.
this game.
Aakhri,
Please.
Yeah, of
Aakhri.
course you are.
एकदम आखिरी इसके बाद फिर एक छोटी सी गेम है which is a new game.
Okay,
and
done.
then done after that. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, this might be easy.
Okay.
So let's see. जो थी कल तक बस एक आरज़ू आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ शहर दिल में घूमे साथ साथ सारे दिन सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं.
Dude, Bollywood really confuses you with these very common lyrics.
Yep.
ये सारी रात
Because
और ये.
there's always some crazy deadline. They like give us lyrics by today, and they pick it up from other places and just throw it in. One more time.
One more time,
Yeah.
yeah.
Just
जो थी कल तक बस एक आरज़ू आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ शहरे दिल में घूमे साथ साथ सारे दिन सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं. Should be very simple, especially coming from where we're coming from and depending on what Shamik just said. Yeah.
अरे यार, that last song.
Quick.
That
Quick.
fuck, that Shadi song.
Quick.
Oh wait, why do I keep
Yeah,
giving him clues,
quick, bro.
I can go?
You can absolutely.
Suraj ki
Yeah,
baat.
he got it. He said it first.
I said it first.
I was waiting for
I
your
said it
response.
first. I said it first.
Arey yaar. Dude, this is such a pivotal
Yeah.
moment. I should have just said it. I was
Yes,
being polite
sure.
and like, can I go?
I was gonna end it before the last game, but then you said, "Oh, this is the only movie I listen to the songs of." I'm like, okay, then I have to do this one.
Fuck. Again, a song I skipped. But okay.
Okay.
I just-
Very
You
cool.
skipped this. This
Yeah.
is my
Yeah.
favorite song
I
from the
like,
movie.
Great song. Also, I love there's one particular part in the song that is so well timed. Okay, there's one part in the lyrics which goes, "हमें what is that इंतजार line? जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार जिंदगी, right? So at the point where they're saying जाने किसका है इंतजार is the point where Katrina enters and it's perfectly timed to this line, which I fucking love.
So like so many weddings, the bride and the groom enter to this song only now.
Yeah,
like,
I know. Yeah, correct.
It's not perfectly timed then at all.
Then what?
Yeah,
Like,
they fuck it
it's just
up.
going. Woo. Okay, cool. All right, that was the end of this game as well. Very cool. Very well done.
Nice. That was fun. The last
was
one
very
was
fun.
fun.
That was close.
Very fun.
I stole it from you.
Yes.
Like you
Let's
stole
see where we
one.
stand at the end
Oh,
of
boy.
versus.
Nice.
At third place, we have the audience at 32.5.
Okay,
Please
audience
back
at
to
30.5.
second.
Slightly ahead, we have Shamik at 33.5.
31,
Oh, God.
1 point ahead of the audience.
33.5. Okay.
And we have Govind with a comfortable lead at 42.5.
There's no need for this extra
Comfortable. I'm
lead.
so
Just save a
Shade.
fucking score.
Shade.
We have Govind
Okay.
with I'm very
lead.
He's so comfortable right now.
Oh man.
Okay, so guys, this next game we're going to be playing is a newer game.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think anyone from the audience here remembers. I played it once before in the history of the show.
Oh.
Okay, and it's called Bollywood Taboo. All right, how this works is basically a game of taboo, but with Bollywood films.
Okay.
I prepared these cards.
Yeah.
On each of these cards are films, and under those films' names are words
You
or
can't say.
things you can't say when describing the plot of that or describing the film. One person
Yeah.
from the audience. Amjad is fucking epic. Amjad, please come. Amjad, come on screen. Come on screen. Come on screen. Yes, we have Amjad right here with the mic right there. Starting your 90 seconds in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Okay, it's a movie where the two actors were in the AIB roast.
Gunde.
Yep.
Nice, well done. Very well
Nice
done.
one.
You can skip. You can just, if you're thinking too much, just skip.
You can skip, bro.
No. Wait. Independence.
Huh?
Brewing company.
Sorry, what is this?
That's the name of the.
Acha, okay. Britishers.
Lagan.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice.
That took you that long?
Those are tough taboo words.
Oh man.
You don't cover the words.
अरे यार. Kanta Ben.
Kalo na ho.
Yeah.
Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, I won't.
No, that's no.
Yeah, this is so tough.
That's
Amitabh. Amitabh.
the one movie he has made.
Amitabh. Guru.
15 seconds left.
Amitabh and Guru. What?
Guru.
No.
Amitabh Guru. Fuck it.
10 seconds left.
Miami.
Oh, sorry. Was that Satya Pe Satta?
Miami.
Dostana.
Yep.
Oh,
Okay,
nice.
done.
Done.
Your time's done. You got how many? Just count from Gunde. Just go, bro.
Yeah.
What was Amitabh and Guru?
I fucked up. Brahmastra.
Oh.
All right, Shamik's turn.
Wait.
You have your 90 seconds start. Whenever you're ready, just let me know when to hit start.
Okay. Yeah.
Starting now in 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Stand-up comedian movie. He was in this movie.
Veerdas was in Namaste London.
No, recent.
खो गए हम कहाँ?
No, he's bearded.
Sorry. तू झूठी मैं मक्कार.
Is he still in frame? Okay. Yeah. Tu Jhoti Mein Makar.
This is the
That's
movie that people keep. Fuck this movie. Movie where. Oh shit.
Yeah.
He's crossing between two buildings. It's a funny scene where.
Wait. Ishq.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
You said this earlier. It's Bachchan.
Satya Pe Satta.
No, the other
Pa.
one. Yeah.
Oh, nice, bro.
You know, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, the song, the first two words of that, the old song.
चलते चलते.
Perfect.
Wow, bro.
Gauri Khan's husband dies at the end of this.
In a lot of movie. Kal Ho Na Ho.
No,
Army.
It's a critically Mani Ratnam film.
Dil Se.
Wow, bro.
It's
15 seconds left.
WWE is what?
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी.
No, what is WWE?
Rigged, fixed.
No, what is the thing? Yeah, that. A
Sultan.
movie on that.
Sultan.
No, another one.
No, Brothers.
No, another one.
What else is
The
there?
one with the shortest of the three.
Dangal.
Yes.
Well done. 6 is gone.
Fuck this. Oh, most famous comedy.
Done.
Okay.
Dude, you did well. What are
6. You got
talking
6, dude. Very
I'm
well
good
done.
at taboo. I'm
That's
just not good
30
at
points,
about? You
Bollywood.
dude.
said watch this as if you were going to
30
do
points.
bad, dude. You just destroyed
30 points. Very well done. Now,
thank
are there other cards left?
There are
In
some.
that? Oh, you have seen the names. So let's give you one more.
You have more?
There are
It's better
more.
to just give more.
Yeah.
because You counted,
So
right? How
now,
many?
he'll just like, is he talking to the both of us or?
How does
Yeah,
this
the
work?
both of you. Whoever guesses first. Sorry, now in 3, 2, 1.
Ranveer Singh's wife started her career.
Oh, Om Shanti.
That was Govind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's Alia's husband. And this is a coming of age film for him. Alia's husband coming of age.
Tamasha?
No, much before that. Much before that.
Savaria?
Towards the beginning. Where
Oh, Wake Up Sid.
That was Shamik got that one.
Okay. They were okay. Two very, very famous characters: black kurta, gold chain. The other one's in an orange kurta. It's just a funny movie.
Come on.
Welcome.
bro.
It's
No.
just a funny
they're
movie
not
with
in
these
a-
two.
yeah.
Can you guess again? No.
Yeah, you can.
There are two of these movies.
I fucking don't
It's
know.
just a funny movie. The guy who made Three Idiots also made this.
Oh, Munna Bhai.
Yes.
Lagero
Yeah,
Munna Bhai.
yeah.
Lagero
Yeah,
Munna
that's
Bhai.
so obvious now.
This one, when it was first made, it had Rahul Roy and Anu Varghese, but then they decided to make it again.
They wouldn't know this, bro.
No, it just had a lot of songs. Arjit Singh and Ankit Tiwari became famous. because of
Ashiki
songs.
2.
Yes.
That's 20 seconds left.
What else we here for?
Wow.
Oh, 83.
Wow.
This one I'm going to put aside. These are the two folks who were in Hasina Maan Jayegi, but this one has like a digit at the end of the name.
Jodi number 1.
Wow, bro.
तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Huh?
तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Rahul कुछ
कुछ होता है.
Yes.
Nice, go on. That was good. That was good.
That's him? He said Rahul, dude.
But he
Alright,
gave
okay.
that, gave that.
Okay. मैं फ को फ बोलता हूँ.
Kamine?
Yes.
Wow, 6 for Shavik.
Papers are not separating. This is the most epic love story of all time, in my opinion.
Devdas.
No, just the most
It's,
epic.
I don't know
5
your
seconds.
It's the
opinions,
most
dude.
epic romantic movie from the 90s.
Vizara?
No, 90s.
Dilwale Dulhania Le
Oh,
Jayenge.
nice,
Okay,
nice,
cool.
nice.
Okay, cool. That was done.
Okay.
Govind got 3, Shamik got 6. Very cool. So 30 was Shamik, 15 for Govind.
Right at the end. I love
Shamik
this
got
game.
6 right, so 30. Govind got 3 right, so 15.
You're ahead now, I guess.
That
think it's
was...
possible.
You are.
I'll go back or there's
And
more?
that was the end of the episode. Amjad, thank you so
Good
much.
job,
You were
good
all
job.
Amjad.
Thanks, man.
Very well played.
Dude, Shamik, if you win with this.
Dude, one of the
I think I
biggest
won,
followers of the show, and this guy knows a lot, man. So about Bollywood, no one's a bigger fan of Bollywood
Throughout
than
the
Amjad is.
episode,
Yeah.
you'd say one word and he'd start writing.
Correct, yes. Very cool.
Yeah, he's taking notes of how to make the show better. And he's going to make it himself now.
Yeah. He's the one who writes in the comment, don't get Shamik back.
Shamik, I think you're winning, by the way.
I think I'm winning too.
Hey, you can't say that, dude. I can say that to you. You can't say that.
Wow.
Wait, I want to hear this guy say if I'm winning, a comfortable lead. No. Go for it. Go for it.
Man, this, I think, if I'm right in saying this iteration of the show, this is the highest scoring game we've ever had.
What?
Yes, the highest scoring episode
Something
we've
is
ever
wrong
had.
with this game.
No, because
We both
because of Taboo, right? Because of Taboo. Taboo has
five
so many. You got
years.
5 fives, and you get like that.
Yeah.
Coming in third place
Yeah.
is the audience with 32.5 points.
Okay.
Well played, guys. Well
Okay,
played.
well played,
Very
well
cool.
played.
Very cool. With a special huge round of applause for Amjad again. Very
Yes.
cool.
Amazing.
Okay. Coming in at second place with 77.5 points. Huge. Govind Menon.
Fuck you,
Very
win!
cool.
You fucking win!
And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah.
That's right.
The one, the only with 93.5 points.
Thank you so
Shamik
much.
Chakraborty.
Thank you. It's a dark day for Bollywood. Dark day for Bollywood.
You did kill it in the last
Alright,
one,
thank
dude.
you,
so.
thank you, man.
No, I'm just
Well
being
played.
nice. I hate it inside.
I know. I hate when I would hate it if this happened to me. Yeah. But that last game really changed everything.
Acceptance
Thank you
speech.
so
Let's hear it.
much. I just want to say, if you believe in yourself and you play Taboo in your younger years, someday that skill might come to use. Because I'm not good at Bollywood, but I used to be Taboo champion.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to say that now. I beat some people once in college. I was pretty good.
Okay.
And Taboo is my favorite Bollywood actress. So thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Well
and
done.
well played.
Very well
Well,
done.
well played, well played.
Can you ask me one more question so I can get to my 100? Cocky already.
93,
That's-
dude.
Bro, I'm
Again,
gonna-
I think, dude, I
Yeah.
think I've been lucking out with having amazing guests, doing some banging, amazing episodes. So thank you again. I think this is
Thank
again,
you.
up till now,
Yeah.
based on my opinion, the best episode we've had up till now. So
The drama.
That's
yes,
Thank you.
please.
man. Thank you. Redemption.
Yeah,
That's right.
let us know. Should I have them back?
Please let me know. Huh?
Okay.
Just do taboo every round. Can
Every
we do
round.
Every round taboo.
yeah.
That was great. Any flops?
That would
Yes.
work because
Yeah.
I was so positive dude, till the
Yeah.
end.
So
Yeah,
well
I
done.
know.
But you guys had you guys did well in other rounds also, in other
Yeah.
games
Yeah,
also.
it was a
Very good.
surprisingly
Yeah.
like we gave a lot of answers.
Answers.
I
Yeah.
wasn't expecting.
More than I expected.
Very
I never
good.
thought I'd say Amir. Is it Amir?
Insane.
Dude, that surprised the
After
fuck out of
saying,
me.
was that
I was
racist?
in 10 minds.
Yeah.
Thinking, should I include this?
I was
Is there
hoping
any chance they
that
know?
he'd be like, I don't want to sound racist. Is it Amjad or something? Just say something.
That's the
That's what
reason
you're
I
hoping
said
for.
that.
Yeah.
That's the reason I had to
I got it.
preface it with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for
Thank
doing
you.
this.
Yes.
Any
Yeah.
plugs before we end the show?
I mean, watch my podcast also.
Spender
where
Bender, absolutely.
Antriksh also talks there.
No, wait, he's not producing yours anymore.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I forgot that.
Oh, shit, dude. Oh, shit.
Okay, so
Biggest victory.
Antriksh won't be producing, but watch.
Formerly
it.
produced.
Formerly produced by Antriksh. Watch that, and I mean, right now I'm
Yeah.
not doing any trial shows or other shows, so
Okay.
just follow me on Instagram also. Or go with
Absolutely.
Menon.
Yes.
Yeah, please, for Crickheads is the podcast I do, and we're going to do double the episodes now. Now that he's
So
free
Antriksh
from
has
this
free time.
podcast.
Sorry.
Twice a week. we're
Yeah,
gonna
my
do it.
podcast is called Spender. I
Yeah,
didn't mention
no, I
the
mentioned,
podcast.
I mentioned.
Spender Bender, Crickheads. I do that every week with Siddharth Dudeja.
Yes.
Antriksh
And I do it
takes
every
care of a
week with
cat
Hosham.
while we do the podcast.
Yeah, that is true.
And yeah, I'm doing live. When do you know when this is coming out?
So this will come out in like 3 or 4 weeks.
Okay, I'll be performing live somewhere on the weekend. Look,
So,
follow
yes,
me
yeah.
on Instagram, and I post tickets and stuff over there. Same with them. And yeah, thank you.
All right, please absolutely follow them live. Go check out their live shows. They're both hilarious stand-up comedians. Definitely go do that.
Oh, sorry. By the way, I do the podcast with Hoshang Maini. I forgot.
It's fine,
That-
bro.
yeah.
People will
No,
find
he said
it.
Dudeja, so I
Oh,
felt
achha,
like,
now
yeah.
you feel like an asshole. It's
I
on
had
me,
to.
me.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
You can cut Dudeja and Hoshan. Just cut both the names. That's fine.
Alright.
Cool. So again, check out Spender Bender, check out Crickheads. Please check out another podcast that I co-host with two of my friends, Abbas and Snehal. It's called Pop Conversation on the Filmy Colorado YouTube channel. ये तो देख ही रहे हो. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Hope you're enjoying all the content that you see all of us on. Please come for the live shows. There's nothing like the live show. A lot of the wild shit we say gets cut out.
Yep.
If you want to catch it live. That's the only way to catch it.
Nice.
So please come. Huge round of applause for the audience who managed to come to the
amazing,
live.
amazing.
Man. Fucking hell.
Amazing work.
And see you again next week. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.